Okay.
Fuck, OBS multi-stream, forgot about my... No! Okay, are we live on YouTube now? Maybe? Perhaps? OBS says I'm live on YouTube. Holy shit. Okay, I think I'm live on YouTube. Finally, after all this time. Yay! Okay, cool. Sorry about that. OBS was having a field day with not working. Alright, let me set up... are you in the stream together? You are. Okay, cool. What did you want me to look at? This capsule art thing?
The capsule art. I was just gonna go through them, and if you want to see if there's any specific that you like, just to take a look, sees, just to get somewhere started. No.
Oh, this is a... Okay, so
and
this
if
isn't...
you could share your screen.
Oh, this is a... this is not one that you made. I see. I understand.
No. It's like a public one that's like made by a group community. So.
Here's the screen.
Oh, I think this is actually from How to Market a Game.
From what?
I did not know that. It says...
How to
Or
market
no,
a
that's
game.
just How to Market a Game Discord. I don't know if it's related to them.
Okay, I see.
I
Okay,
think
so here's what
maybe
I'm...
there's something... Yeah.
Okay, actually, I can just open this up in a private window. I don't know why you wouldn't. God, this is light mode as fuck. Okay, so what are we looking at? What are we... What am I supposed to
The
be...
art.
Just looking at the art.
To just see, like, is there any in there that you really like?
I'm seeing some that I don't particularly like, to be honest with you, but
Will it look a little closer?
yeah. I'm just trying to think of like what would fit our...
Yeah.
Sorry, not that I don't like them in terms of like I don't think they
Yeah.
look good. I mean more like I don't like them as a concept for Dante's 9. I like this one, Creator's Fall, and Dead Exhale. I think both of those are pretty decent. It's like pretty far down. It's on line 40.
Yeah. Those are good. They feel a little bit like darker, not as like
This one
silly.
definitely doesn't.
I mean, a
think
little
so.
bit. Yeah. Maybe. I don't really like that. It's not bad. It's not very clear at all what it is. Like, I'm sure if we gave him like more info and things, we could get something nice. But that one, I just doesn't feel very readable. A couple of the ones that I liked were...
I think
the first one that I saw that looked good was towards the top. Anton... I'm not gonna try to... Anton...
Give me the number of the row.
12.
12? Alright, word, thank you.
It's a lot. They're like very light and silly, and a couple of them. I think something like that. They're mostly 3D looking though, which is the only downside. But like we could probably go with it like.
So the only things that I have issues with these is like the titles tend to be pretty, except for Kato Pew Pew. Like this is unreadable title. This is like because it's gonna be like small and like quick. I think making the title at least a little bit more noticeable, which ours would...
Yeah, I mean for ours, unless they're like, oh, I absolutely hate it, I'd probably just have them use the current logo or something similar because I do like that.
Yeah. No, but I like what they're going for. I feel like this one is like closest.
Yeah, I like the dynamicness of all of them too. Like I like the kind of, I don't know,
like mid-action
style or what, where there's kind of just like stuff flying towards you in kind of like a big scene.
It's like they took a screenshot during like there was like a battle or something happening.
Yeah, so my kind of thought was kind of like the one on the left where he's kind of like flying, so something like that with Dante, and then having like cards flying and salmon and other crazy things all around.
Yeah. This one doesn't tell me anything about this game, though, to be honest. Kato Pew Pew, I have no clue what's going on there.
Yeah.
I was assuming maybe Slime Rancher.
And that could also...
Yeah,
it could also be depending on what the game is. Like, the person making it could just not have a good game that is easily conveyable.
A good game that is easily
That's also something
conveyable.
to think about. It's more to think about, like, the art style and then...
Why is this... In what fucking world... Why are the rest of these styled like this, and then this one is, hey, here's 10 images right
that might
here?
be just one image. that has them all combined together, and they didn't get separated out because someone was lazy.
Let's find out.
I mean, those ones are really good too. I like those, but those, yeah.
That guy
Forge
also,
was in there, dang.
yeah,
Look at that.
also did all of these apparently.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, no, there's also Super Auto Battlemon, which looks like it's supposed to be like a Super Auto Pets kind of thing.
Yeah, those are all a little bit more cartoony. I don't know if that would quite fit. I mean, it could fit.
I think it could. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. So hello. I'm almost done with the game. Not a chance.
No.
We're aiming for a next year release though, hopefully.
What if we got the same capsule artist as Nuclear Throne and Spelunky too? That's not.
I mean, that would work, but yeah, no.
No. Let's see any of those I like.
I like the one that's Blacksmith's Kingdom. I feel like that kind of conveys, like, I feel like they could probably convey something like that, although their art style's a little too realistic, but in terms of like,
yeah,
display. Hey, why did it say Biblitic is now live again? Am I live on Twitch? Who fucking cares at this point? I'm not spending more time fixing that. Yeah, this person's also line 36 Spirit Alu, like Slip and Slime and Brian's Redemption. I feel like
yeah. Brian's Redemption is kind of tough.
Brian's Redemption.
That's such a dumb name, but the art's really good.
Kind of a fun name. Brian's Redemption. Who is Brian?
It is kind of a fun name.
Brian's Redemption is such a dumb name. Imagine having like a name of someone and then just like another word, like weird. Good thing we're working on Dante's 9.
Yeah. I think the one that you said, the Creator's Fall one, I think he might have. I think he did the capsule art for one of Aramis's games. Because I remember him saying something about that. Because I asked in his Discord about like capsule art, and I think that's what he said he used. I think. Let me look.
Alright, well, I don't want to spend too much time looking at capsule art, to be honest, because I got a couple of things that I wanted to work on and get going.
Yeah, I want to see if there's anything else in here that sticks out.
Like, for example, I did something that I think that you will enjoy. Once I kill these, once I fix this. Up. Because I know you're like, you hate this shit, but let's see. Add a brick. Add some sticker. I fixed the rotation. I made this card's higher resolution.
There's also, do you still have it open? Oh, you made it high resolution. Let's go.
Yeah, what are you talking about? Do I still have it open? The game that I just opened?
No, the thing that we were just looking at 2 seconds ago.
I was literally talking about something else, and you go, "Do you still have it open?" I'm like, "Oh yeah, I did this thing to the cards. I made this scale properly." And you go, "Do you still have it open?" You're right, dude. That is the thing that we were just talking about.
Yeah, this is true.
Let me look. All right, I'll reopen it. Don't worry.
54 has some
54?
cool kind of like hellish themed ones. I like the colors on them.
Yeah, they're very metal as well, like the Nana and the Risk the Dark, maybe is what that's supposed to say. They're fighting again? Yes, sir.
I like the colors. I don't think the style would quite. Maybe it could, but I definitely think something a little sillier.
Yeah, I think something more cartoony is definitely the play. What is this? Hold on, sorry. I tabbed into Discord to look. Your thing. Oh, what? Oh, by the way, for anyone who didn't know, hello, Average Ghetto Enjoyer. Happy Tuesday, happy. It's actually a very happy Tuesday because yesterday, the game known as Hytale was recently brought back to life because it's Simon Hypixel. He actually managed to save the game, and he actually just uploaded this apparently and sent this in the Hytale Discord.
Where?
16 minutes of Hytale gameplay.
Okay, we're watching this on stream. I don't
care.
We're
not, but 16 minutes of Hytale gameplay. Holy shit, man!
I want to.
That's
I'm watching
insane.
this on stream. Send it to me.
No,
I'm watching
just
it.
go find it on YouTube, dog.
No, I'm lazy.
You were asking.
I'll
You
look
asked
it
me a
up
question
here.
about something in Dante. Oh yeah, you asked me about the salmon, right? You
Yeah,
wanted the
because the salmon
salmon.
currently doesn't work with like
Yeah, because does this specifically look for card attack? No, it doesn't. How does the salmon work? I don't have salmon in my fucking code, so I can't look.
they literally just have a hitbox component or hurtbox component on it.
That's
That's
it.
on
That's
the salmon.
all.
Yeah, that's
Does
all it
it-
does damage. Yep.
Does it pull the damage from the card instance?
Yes, it does. It sets the hurtbox's damage to the card instance damage. I can. Where is it?
Yeah, if you want to pull that up on stream, I'll take a quick.
Yeah,
I'll see if there's
right
like an
here,
easy
it's-
fix.
In the ready, it sets. Don't look at all of this stuff. It's bad.
Yeah. You can just scroll up. Just scroll up.
Hurtbox like component dot attack damage. equals card instance damage.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
hurtbox is really just this
see.
here.
That creates the attack on. Okay, I see. Attack.source's owner. That's gonna be a slight issue, but whatever. That's fine. Can you go back?
Back.
Yes.
Mhm.
So this is just a regular card attack that gets spawned from when you activate it. So it's like how does this this propagates the card instance down, right?
Yes.
Where does
This
that
is access
propagate
to the card
down?
instance.
Where are you assigning card
Where's
instance?
what? In the portal that spawns it.
Okay.
So the portal spawner tells the portals the card instance, then the portals tell the salmon the card instance when it spawns them.
So if you want the quick and easy fix right now, which we can do, is go to where you're setting the dot damage on the hurt box, which I believe was in this file, but maybe not. Oh no, this is the portal. Is this the portal?
Wait, no.
Okay, yeah. So that thing,
Oh,
where you're
it
setting
says card ability, not card attack.
Yeah. So
sorry.
wherever you're assigning hurtbox component dot attack damage, God, you need to
Attack
start
damage.
using like spacing in your code. But can you kick that down a line? Hurtbox component dot attack dot source is equal to player dot player. We'll just do that for now. And add a little to-do note if you don't mind that says like assign this dynamically. Alright, that should work. I would be very surprised if it didn't. Oh shit,
yeah,
dude.
also,
That fucking...
I don't
Yeah,
know
the
if you
lighting
saw
looks
this.
really good. Is the player in front of the
Yeah.
lighting?
Yeah, I think so.
I don't like that.
No, the player isn't in. I don't know. to
He
be
looks
honest.
like he's
No.
in front of the lighting,
maybe.
yeah.
Either way, I think it looks okay. Because also the gradient on the player kind of like lights up around him.
Yeah, but I don't know. It looks a little weird if the light's in front of the ground but behind
not-
the player.
Yeah. The layering is weird, but
Yeah. I also... Yeah, we definitely need a shader for that, the foreground elements. But yeah, if you want to try the salmon. Yeah.
why do maggots come out when you touch the books? Because
Yep.
they don't work properly yet. Don't worry about it.
We're using Git. We are using Git to do our sort of like to do the code together. So it's not like a live, like whenever I do code things, he gets my changes immediately. Dog, I think that's enough dummies. You only need to...
Nope.
Okay.
Yep, that works.
Okay, cool.
That's really satisfying.
It is, yeah. You need to like push some of that stuff up so I can play around with it. But yeah.
Yeah, I probably should, because like it's actually so fun.
Yeah, no, it looks really
I
cool.
literally spent like half the afternoon just making chain reactions of dummies, and it was too fun.
Yeah.
Very satisfying. Let's go.
Alright.
Go run the game.
Um.
Oh, oopsies.
So what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I ran into a bug today that I would just
Mhm.
like to mention, and I don't know why. I know kind of why this happened. Um, I had just like a big comment here, but I was loading all of the enemies in, and it caused like a propagation error where it would try to load. Sorry, my music is a little too loud for me. Celeste music, you're really good. Like go elsewhere though. It would cause like some weird propagation thing where it would load the spider enemy fire, and inside of the script that calls card pickup, instantiate card pickup, which pulls from the card DB, which would cause the card DB to immediately try to load, and that would cause the what was it? It would cause one of the scripts to go missing, and it would just break every thrown ability, and it's so weird. And I don't know why it did that, but it did. But all I had to do was just call this thing deferred, so it didn't. But it's just weird. Weirdness.
Oh, my salmon.
Go my salmon. So let's go ahead. Yeah, I wonder if you can make a plugin for Godot to have live code sharing and real-time edits like VS Code. I'm actually kind of surprised if that's not a thing. Probably not. It doesn't look
Oh, and
like
video.
it.
As you can see, I can move the top and bottom parallax independently. So
Yeah,
this
you
is up
mentioned
here at the
that.
top, and then if I go all the way down here, this one's down here.
How? So are you just
Works really
deciding
well.
that manually?
Yeah. So yeah, you just put that in the level,
I see.
and it's pretty much the same in the editor as it looks in the the parallax.
Did you actually?
offsets it a
Did you
little
show that
bit.
off? Could you show me what that looked like in the editor?
Yeah.
I could,
It's this one right
because I could maybe make it like a little bit easier as well. At
I
some
mean,
point.
this is
Yeah.
literally pretty much as easy as it's gonna get.
I
You
know,
just
but
put it here. Well, how are you gonna make it easier?
Well, because
Just move it up and
the
down.
thing that would be like annoying, like maybe you go back through and you want to make the room taller or whatever. Could just have like a thing where whenever the navigation region gets rebaked, it automatically finds the lowest and highest point, and then places those there vertically,
Maybe.
and like
I
plus or minus like some
don't
extra.
think that's worth it. But
I know,
if you
well,
wanna do
eventually I
that,
think
you
it
can.
would be, but
yeah, maybe.
yeah. Yeah.
And then you could have it auto-generate light shafts.
Auto generate what?
Light.
Oh, light shafts. Okay, I see. Yeah, that word did not come through whenever you said it.
Okay.
Light shaft.
Yeah. Words.
So yeah,
Yeah.
let's see. I'll go ahead and let me add the chest spawning in to the rooms.
Oh yeah, I forgot you're adding the chests.
Base room.
Oh, and
What do they
also,
call it? Room base.
I wanted to add the explosion to the pumpkin card, and I didn't know the best way to do that because I don't actually really know how the explosion works. I just changed how it looked.
Wait, what did you want to do?
I think I could just instantiate it, change the explosion, or add the explosion onto here, onto these.
What do you mean add the
But I
expl-
wanted to figure out the explosion.
Yeah, like
that
from the
explodes.
relic, but doesn't.
Yeah, no, not from. Yes.
What did you say? Bro said no and
Add
exasperated, and said
the-
yes. What are we?
The explosion, this explosion scene instead of the ugly one here. Make it the nice one.
Okay, yeah, you could just change that on the candy corn.
Okay. Do I need to change like the damage source or whatever? How does that work?
Oh, you just want to spawn. Well, what does the explosion scene look like? It's just
It's whatever you made. I don't know.
this thing you're talking about.
Yes. That.
Yes.
I just want to spawn that on there.
I think that you should be fine. This is a card attack which has a source. I think you'd be fine to just like whenever this spawns, say like explosion.source equals source, explosion.attack
Okay, I can do
equals
that.
attack. Actually I don't know if this has an attack. I don't think it does. But yeah, no, you should be fine to just like assign that in and then
Yeah.
have this go off. Only problem is, oh yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, because you could just tie that to like an animation
Yeah.
after a certain amount of time,
And
or
I
a
think
timer or whatever.
we should keep I like the idea of having the explosion be like generic and can just be used for anything. Also,
And
I'm trying to think about this one.
sure.
It should damage the player unless it's like a ability thrown by the player, like the candy corn. Like I don't think the candy corn should.
Wait, sorry, what should damage the player?
The explosions.
Like if the player has the enemies explode on Death Relic?
Yeah, I think that
No.
should damage the player.
I really don't like that.
Okay.
I really, really don't like that.
Right.
'Cause it could feel very cheap, and it could feel like getting that is not worth it because
Yeah.
even though it does extra AoE damage, it also means that now you have
Yeah,
to
but
just...
I mean it's higher risk, higher reward. But
It also means
yeah,
that like melee would not be viable at all.
that's also true, yeah. But yeah, the other thing to think of is like if we wanted to have like explosive barrels and we had those use like the same explosion, how do we tell that it's which one will damage the player and which one won't?
Yeah, just have like a flag that's like damage player.
I mean, like the
Things
player.
like
How
that.
does the player know which one's gonna deal damage to them or which one isn't? Because I mean, if I was playing the game, I would just assume that any explosion that looks like that is gonna damage me. But
I don't fucking know. I guess it would be like...
okay.
It would probably have some other indication. I don't think we need to make this, yeah, like a different color, like a red, like, flash that comes out of it as well, or like some sort of indicator that this one is different than the others.
Yeah, we can try that.
Because I don't, like, we can have this be generic, which is great, but, I don't think we need to make it be, like, the only explosion, the only, like, everything.
Yeah.
But also, if we wanted to make this a generic explosion, then I think it would be worth potentially also moving this out into like an explode function, so that this doesn't do it on creation.
I mean, I think it just should on creation.
Well, it
Because
could.
like, what else are you gonna do with the explosion?
You could just have it, I mean, be stored and wait until you hit like, you call like dot explode and it goes like, but like, I don't know. Maybe.
Well, then you could just be like dot instantiate. It's like the same thing. I think it's easier just have it just be when you spawn an explosion, it explodes and it deletes itself.
Yeah, sure.
Like I don't see. I see what you're saying of making it like more. You could use it for more things, but I don't really see a world in which we would use an explosion for something other than just spawn it and it explodes, then it goes away.
Yeah, fair enough.
If you think you might use it for something, then you can do that. That's fine. But
What was I doing?
that's just
Fuck,
what
I said I was gonna add something. What the hell did I say I was gonna add? Room stuff. Room loot.
Yeah. Yeah. You have the coins? Did I push up the coins? Like the coin art?
The coin art?
Yeah. There's coins. I don't know, whatever, you can figure it out.
What are they called? Are they just called coin? Yeah,
I don't know, probably.
got coins.
There's also the silver coin that spins.
Yeah.
I think the other ones spin too, but yeah, whatever.
Well, if they do, then they...
Do you want them?
I don't need them right now. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna focus on getting this to work before I keep...
I love how I made this like really complicated explosion animation, and then it just like gets completely drowned out by all the particles.
I think that's what...
I think it looks
like,
really
layering
good.
is, like, important. I fuck with layering.
No, it looked really bad until I added like the smoke particles in the background, and I was like, wait, this is peak. That's only one thing I just need to do more is like layering, just for like literally everything.
Yeah.
It's just having multiple things that move at different speeds or different sizes. Like, it just adds so much more variety.
Let's see. So this guy...
And also, I like the idea of the worm exploding.
Yeah. Yeah,
Bosses
yeah.
exploding are really cool. Like as it explodes like up the tail and things like that.
Should this be a
It's, like,
rigid
really
body, or
lazy,
should
but
this
it's
just
really
have
cool.
an animation whenever it spawns in of just like... Probably just
The
have an
chest.
animation. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll just have it be like a new animation spawn. My thoughts are
Kind of like how the dungeon chest spawn, where it kind of like just drops out of the area, then like
yeah,
does a little
it kind of does
layout.
like a little settle into place is what I was thinking. Yeah.
Yeah,
What are
exactly.
these? Why do you have particles? Are they? Oh, they're the open particles. I see.
Hmm.
How's your state machine on chest done? It isn't. Whenever you open the chest, it plays the animation open, and then it stops animating, and it stays on that frame.
And then you need to get rid of that gradient.
Why do... Oh, I need to get rid of the gradient. Oh, yeah, true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would like fade out at the
Sick
end.
animation. Who did? He
You can
did.
literally just have that in the open.
I'll probably,
Yeah,
I'll probably change something.
Yeah, you could literally just you can adjust the animation if you
Yeah.
don't like it.
No, it's fine.
It'll be fine. You're the animator
Or something. Yeah,
or something.
actually, I need this.
Until I don't like it, and then you're not the animator anymore.
Yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Let's see.
Yeah.
So I would probably want this to spawn in the air, so we will start with... You're going to end up being here, so we'll just keyframe the things that matter. Yeah, all A-Sprite. He uses A-Sprite for
Well, the
everything.
animation was not an A-Sprite.
Well, yeah, the animation's happening
The
in a
art
bit right
is,
here,
yeah.
but yeah.
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 But yeah, A-Sprite for all the art.
Big A-Sprite enjoyers around here. Let's see.
I love A-Sprite.
Actually, how large is this chest in terms of like world units? You don't have to answer. That's like a I'm speaking out loud. 136.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I guess tall is what matters. Almost 100 pixels, so we'll say like 90 or so, 86, 87, somewhere around there. We'll say you drop from probably like 300 pixels up then. Oopsies, wrong direction. Maybe not. Maybe that's too high. Okay, sure. So you come down. You also should not immediately do that. You should start.
So I just need to set the source, right? I don't need to set the attack. Yes, the answer is yeah.
You have to set something, I
I'm
think.
just gonna assume it's yeah. I'm just gonna assume it works, you know?
It won't.
Okay.
Let me see what else it needs. I believe it needs... Yeah, it does need an attack. Well, no, it creates an attack. Oh, the damage is always 5 is the problem, because it was never meant to be used elsewhere. So it just sets the damage.
No, that's fine. The damage should always be the same.
Okay, then sure.
If it's the same explosion, it should deal the same amount of damage. That would be really... I mean, actually, wait.
No, I disagree hard.
Because it's a card.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I know.
I think at its base, it should do the same damage, but then, yeah, the upgrade, yeah.
Ooh, why did it move like that?
I'll figure that out. That can't be that hard to figure out, you know?
Yeah, surely.
Top 10 things that I will not figure out.
Sir. You need to ease out. Okay, you'll do that, and then... let's see. So you should fall straight down very quickly, and then do like a little bounce, I'm thinking. Settle into place. Just get a rough... Yeah, okay, cool. Go down, and then I think that you should have an ease out? No, ease out. There we go. The teensiest, tiniest little bounce at the end there.
Okay, so solution, we can just keep the code we have here, and then I'll do my favorite thing and make a constructor that takes in an attack, and then that will return a instance of the explosion with that attack as the explosion's attack. So you can either just spawn in the default explosion, which will do the 20 damage, or you can spawn in the custom explosion.
Okay. If you're going to do a static constructor function, can you not call it like init? Can you just do like a static func create explosion or create or something? Because there are places that are just using the scene. No. Bad.
Explosion.
Bad. Very bad. Don't do that.
Attack. Thank you for the follow, Booshrooms.
I have been using Godot for... People always ask me this question, and it's always the same answer, but I always forget. Was it Ludum Dare 50? Ludum Dare history. It was Ludum Dare 50, so whenever that was. That was my first actual project with Godot, so April 2022, so it's almost 4 years now. We'll spawn in and then do a little hop. Does that look correct? Oh shit, that looked really bad. I think the timing is very off on that.
I don't remember how to do this, so hopefully I can write this without forgetting.
Oh yeah, I made this go way too high. You're minus 48. You should be like maybe minus 10 or something, man. Yeah, cool. Okay. And then you will fuck with your rotation a little bit. What are you attempting to do, by the way, JW? You said you need to remember how to something.
The static constructor.
Oh.
I probably got it.
Let's see.
Who boofing it right now? I don't know what that means. Hopefully that doesn't mean anything bad.
It kind of does.
Okay. Yeah, it was scary. But Blender's scarier, to be honest. Blender is scarier than Godot.
It's kind of true, yeah. That's
Wait, that
true.
animation is looking amazing.
Thanks.
What the tuna?
I think it should probably pop up with
That might be the go to programming. I still have no clue if it's gonna work, so don't quote me on that one.
No, this should be here, I think.
When did we get a Rivals stream?
We had a
don't play
rival
Rivals.
stream.
We had a Rival. Why is Moaz like flying up the side of my screen? Okay, there he goes.
Oh, let's get down from there. You're gonna hurt yourself. Maybe it shouldn't interpolate. Maybe it should just like stay fucking 0.
Does attack doesn't have a constructor, right? You can't like just make an attack in one line.
I don't think you can, no, but you can add that if you want. You're more than welcome to.
Maybe I will at some point, but I'm not doing that right now.
Okay, I think it does have a constructor. 100% it does have a constructor, because it has a UUID there. But like, you could add like damage float equals 0, and then fucking attack damage equals damage. That way, none of the existing code breaks and whatever. Or you could just do like static func create and then have the fucking whatevers. But yeah, no. Yeah, no, he has no idea what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Also, yeah, the Godot editor, I don't know, the Godot editor I really, really like. It's definitely a lot more intuitive, at least in my opinion, than Blender tends to be, but Blender's unfortunate. Blender is actually like so fucking cool, but
give it a bunch of knockback just for funsies to see if it works. 2,000. 2,000.
2,000. 2,000.
Nobody gets it, but it's okay. We get it.
Yeah, that's all that matters.
Well, let's see if this works, I guess. Wait, which one of these is
2,000. Fuck you, dude. You put that in my head.
I don't get it. Okay. Okay, Moaz, cheese.
Okay. Cheeseburg.
Cheeseburg. Also, what the heck is this that says this feels kind of gross, but at the same time, angry :3 face?
Do you know what that's doing? Or are you asking what is the code doing? Or are you saying what is this comment?
I have no clue what the code is.
So I'll explain the code really quickly because I think it's actually like a really cool thing. I just don't think it's something you should do. I was actually thinking about making a video about ways to make your team members hate you in Godot.
Oh, that's so much more satisfying.
Yippee.
Oh, the things
Oh,
don't
no,
disappear, but that's okay. I just need to do that.
Yeah, so I was thinking about making a
Those
thing that's like
explosions are so much more satisfying.
yeah. A thing of just like evil GDScript.
Just Q3 here.
And this is one of them. So
GDScript would kind of go hard.
yeah, so the candy corn, if I go to the scene, so the candy corn is a rigid body. However, the card attack, the class that it extends, only sees itself as a node 2D. So you cannot just do like if self is rigid body 2D because that just doesn't work. Right, if I were to save this, it says expressions of type candy corn, it can't be rigid body. And the reason is because nowhere down the hierarchy does this see itself as a rigid body. However, we know that it is a rigid body because it is right here. So what I can do is I can cast it down to a node 2D, save that out to a different variable, and then cast that back up to rigid body 2D. Which it just works. I only did this because it was fun. I don't think this is good code. But it's like evil and like bastard child code.
Yeah, that looks kind of evil. I don't understand that.
Yeah.
Can you say that again? I zoned out. Yeah, me too.
Yeah. It can't be a rigid body according to the script hierarchy, but we know that it is a rigid body because of the node system. So we cast it down to a generic node and then back up to a rigid body.
Oh, here, baby, let me pause my music. Listen to the explosion sound and tell me what you think.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah, I'll just like fucking open this up on my... Okay. Ooh. Put a bit crusher on it.
Oh, what crusher?
A bit crusher. Do we have a bit crusher in Godot?
No, we're not doing it in Godot. I can do it in somewhere else. Although, I don't know, maybe the sounds would sound good if they had like the tiniest little bit of bit crushing on everything. And yeah, get the big fan of the visual effects too. Yeah, I did that all today because I was bored.
Because I was like bored.
Biddy's particles are ugly. Let's make my own.
Evil bastard.
Yours are pretty good for the generic. To be fair, we didn't have any good generic particles.
Wait, the generic particles, weren't they fucking... Didn't those just use the same as your particles? Which particles are you talking about?
No,
Oh, you're talking about these? Oh, yeah, these.
Yeah, those. Yeah.
Yeah. They're not ugly.
I was about to say the generic particles aren't good for explosions, but like half of this is the generic particles, but
yeah.
You know, whatever. It's okay. Okay, I'm turning my music back on. We're gonna go blow up some enemies with these, see how it feels. Oh. Oh.
The explosion tried to go off while it was outside of the tree. Nice. Holy shit, is that fucking Nui? Hi.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Hello. Have you pushed up any changes recently, JW?
I'll push up the changes.
Git fetch. Is it gonna say up to
There's
date
no
if I do git pull?
changes.
Already up to date. Hmm.
You wanna chat? Guess how many changes I have. We're gonna do a vote.
I almost certainly bet that I have more than you.
Feels so much better.
I think I have
Pumpkin,
more
this feels
changes.
so much better with the new explosions.
Yeah, I'm telling you,
It
frame by
feels
frame
so
animation's the way to
powerful.
go.
Literally 90% of the new explosion isn't frame by frame.
What are you talking about? Isn't it?
It's not.
Show me,
Look at
show me
it.
what the
It's
new
like-
explosion is.
Like
Like,
we'll go in slow mo.
yeah, He's got
time
this.
options. Go in point 2.
let me put you on screen so people can see it. Okay.
It's like that tiny little thing in the middle is frame by frame. Everything else is not.
Yeah, I think the frame by frame is
you
the
can
bulk
just sit
of
here and
what's cool.
Yeah, it works, but
Yeah.
everything. It looks really bad without everything else.
Yeah, of course.
It like works.
That's how like
together.
VFX works. You gotta layer flip books on top of.
I love the
effects and things.
circles too. Those really help.
You know, what'd be
add a
kind of
nice
cool as
look
well.
Afterwards. Mm-hmm.
Wait, can you? That pumpkin went a lot lower than it should, I think.
What? Which one? The one that hit the guy in the air?
Hold on. Sorry, let me finish my first thought before I say anything else. It'd be kind of cool, for certain explosions if they had like a very, very quick wind up, like not like a. I'm not even thinking like a tenth of a second. I'm thinking like a little bit less, where it does like a little like. I don't even know how to describe it, but it would be like a high pitch, like a shoop sound or something like right before. It wouldn't have the sound, but like. Do you know what I'm talking about at all or no?
I have no clue what
That's
you're talking
okay.
about.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Also,
I mean, it has like the little flash, so it like goes
Does it
dark
flash?
and then light. Yeah. If you look very, very closely. Let's look at this one right here. See, there's a So it's black and then white, so that way it's like the highest possible contrast you can have. So yeah. And that really makes it like flat. Like you don't notice it when you're looking at it, but like you kind of feel the
yeah,
this line so long. I don't remember the lines being that long.
they're hella long. Okay, let me actually add the thing that I was talking about adding
Okay, I'm going back to full time because.
full time.
Oh yeah, they also do a ridiculous amount of knockback. I forgot. Wait, let's see this on this guy up here. Oh, never mind. Just gonna murder him.
I think that's fine, to be honest. Yeah, this is fine. This is so chill. Okay, cool.
Actually, wait a second. I just realized something. I might be the smartest person to ever exist. Hold up.
Holding up.
You don't actually need to hold up because it'll take me a second.
Dude, just hold up. Meow.
Meow. Meow.
Sorry.
Meow.
Someone in my chat meow. It's so fucking over.
Oh, wait. Which one's the real pumpkin? There's pumpkin bomb.tscn in abilities, and then there's pumpkin ability in. Wait, this one's in object / abilities.
Yes.
This one's in
So
card
pumpkin
/
bomb
abilities.
ability is the
Ability. Okay.
No,
it's the
pumpkin
real-
bomb
okay.
and ability. So pumpkin bomb is
we-
the one that is the object that spawned. Pumpkin ability was the old ability that was everything in one.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a generic
Hello,
object that
this
can be
is
spawned.
Nildev.
Well, but
Meow,
quote unquote
meow, meow.
generic.
To you as well.
Meow. 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 Meow.
A fellow meower.
Meow.
Man.
Oh wait, this does already have this.
What?
Wait. Yeah. Wait.
Why is disable? Why do you have disable but you don't have enable? Someone's a little stupid and
wait,
forgot to add that. What? What's up?
Don't worry about it.
Okay. Oh, hi, Callie. My cat thought that me meowing was me asking for her to come here, so she's now
In some
here.
Cases.
Thank you, Lilac, for meowing. You have brought my cat. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Let's see. So, I can allow interaction. Dude, this cat's
What do you mean
hello.
parameter common parent is null? Okay, whatever. I don't care.
Yeah, that's an
Regardless.
editor-only issue. Don't worry about it.
Oh, that's an editor-only issue. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
I do wish Godot made a little bit of a distinction between, like, this came from the editor and this came from your code. But, meh. You kind of just, like, learn to ignore the ones that don't matter. It's better than
Yeah.
crashing every now and then. Because it... Actually, now that I think about it, Godot editor doesn't really crash.
It really doesn't unless you like just overload it with things.
And even then, I feel like it only crashes if you're, like, doing a tool script and you do something stupid, like delete the root of the edited scene. Like I do sometimes. Oopsie, sorry.
Yeah, I've never done that.
I
would never.
What am I doing? Okay, I need to go to the animation player. I need to enable the interaction area. So at the end of this animation,
Oh, so that doesn't work.
interaction. What's up with it?
Scale bait. Oh,
Check if node is to node 2D.
yeah. And then, you said it was pumpkin bomb. You're sure?
Yep.
Is the actual object?
Should be. Am I sure?
Okay.
I'm not 100%, but it should be.
Oh wait, I was looking at the wrong script. I'm a moron.
Here.
Yeah. Nope, that's not what I want.
Hi, sweet girl. Oh yeah, I wanted to check actually while I'm here. Pumpkin bomb. If I throw this, it goes just
Hello?
over the platform.
There we go.
And if the time scale is 0.1, it gets like
Okay, let's
basically
try
the
that.
same height. Okay, we're good. Yeah, actually they go to the same height. We're good.
Maybe I try to get a couple more cards done today. And by a couple more cards, I mean probably one because I'm incredibly slow.
Oh shit, dude, JW, can you look at this? Let me know when you're looking. Oh no, something's happening.
I'm reading. Oh. Wait, what is it called?
Size.
Oh, dot size. Why is it size? It should be scale. Whatever size works, I guess.
Man, it can be.
What am I looking at? Twin. I'm looking. Oh, wait. Oh, interesting. Can I see it again?
Yeah.
I think it like lagged.
What are we thinking?
One more time, twin. Or let's see it in the editor.
What's there?
It shouldn't land on the corner. It should hit the corner and then instantly snap down and then rotate. Because right now it's going down. It's defying physics right now. Do you see that?
I had it like.
It looks really good.
Yeah, I had it like this where it would snap afterwards. Is that what you mean, or?
No. So it goes down and it's kind of angled as it's going down.
Okay.
The second it touches the ground, it should rotate down. Right now, it's staying rotated when it bounces. So it's like bouncing on the corner. So it's hitting the corner and then going back up. It should instantly rotate to the right as soon as it hits the ground before it starts going back up.
I see what you're talking about. Like it should go back to this.
Yeah,
And
because
then
if it
bounce
hits
up.
the ground, it's not going to go back up. It's going to rotate, hit the other side, and then go back up.
I see what you mean.
If you think about physics. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Twin.
Yeah. Also, I'm not particularly happy with the easing on this. I think this needs to be like a.
Oh, I need to multiply it. I might be the worst programmer to ever exist.
Yeah.
Yeah. We might be the best streamers to ever exist.
Yes, sir.
Chat, I didn't get nominated for the streamer awards. What are you guys doing? Oh, it's like almost
Why
the
is
end of
it-
the month.
There should be an ease out. You should just like, maybe you should just snap into the pose afterwards, like whenever you pop up. I don't know though.
There we go. Look at that. We got big explosions. Oh, I need to set the particles to be big particles. The pumpkin isn't large. Why isn't the pumpkin large? Oh, because it's the same issue where it doesn't want to scale. We just copy the code from here. 'Cause it's a rigid body. I need more music for my stream. I like this playlist, but it needs some more music. Because it gets a little repetitive. I don't think I have any Celeste soundtrack on this
I do.
playlist. It's like my more chill playlist. I like it better than the one I had before. Let's see.
Okay, there we go. I think that's good. I think I'm happy with that.
There we go. Now the pumpkin's big.
Yay, and then this interacts. Hooray! Card. Pistol.
Okay, Biddy, we got big pumpkins now.
Whoa, big pumpkins.
And it makes the explosions bigger too.
Oh, the explosions are like
May or may
actually-
not be really OP.
Yeah, that sounds OP.
Yeah. But, you know,
Which is like the point of the game.
if you figure that out, then yeah. Oop. Okay, if I redealt the cards.
Shoots piercing pistol rounds? Is that true? That's not true.
What's not true?
The description of the pistol
Oh,
says
well, you
shoots
wrote
piercing pistol rounds.
That's because you wrote that description like 12 years ago, when
Ah.
that was true. Oh, this is kind of overpowered, actually.
I see. Okay. So let me spawn this in now. Whenever the room ends. I'll probably actually let me make a component for this because I don't feel like loot spawner. Or it's a room loot spawner. Source level stuff. Yeah. Yep. Hi, Callie. Oh shit! This is literally already a script that I made. Fuck. My bad.
What is?
Pretty. Room loot spawner, apparently.
Oh,
Our
yeah.
room base components. Room is equal to owner as room base component. It's so funny that this is still called room base component when it definitely 100% should not be.
Oh, thank you for the follow, Nexus Null Dead.
Sorry.
Okay.
If not room, push error, push error. Room loot spawner could be added to rooms only. Queue free, return. Oh, she's getting agitated. She's in my lap and she's upset that I'm talking. She just kicked me. All right. There you go, sweet girl. My sweet cat. I love her so much, but like, man.
Yeah, now the particle's the right size.
Does this emit anything? No. Well, it does. Sorry, it does emit something. Type none. Oh shit! You have a room type I can access. On room ended. Room.
Oh, we should also probably have some stickers that are based on like what cards you have in your hand. So it's like it does something for however many cards with that sticker in your hand you have currently.
Yeah, we wanted to do that. I think that's in the list
Yeah.
of stickers.
Yeah, I don't think it was in the list of like
Not for the
ones to
demo.
playtest at all, but
No.
yeah.
Sorry, the playtest. I hate that demo is such a better word than playtest.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, you can call it a demo. I mean, it's a demo is short for what, like demonstration.
Yeah, but like
That's like
there's usually like a
There's-
lot more of like a there's like a connotation behind
Yes.
demos, you know.
yeah,
Yeah.
fair, but yeah. Sorry.
All right, buddy.
Sorry.
Yeah. No, good one. Oh, I need to bring in the room type enum const room type equals room based.
Chat, what am I doing? I'm having way too much fun just like throwing pumpkins at things. I need to like work. See, this is the issue. My game is too fun that I just keep playing it instead of actually working. Also, I just realized the explosion sound is way too loud compared to everything else, but no, it's okay. Oh, and another thing that we should try to have, if we can,
Hmm.
is something to keep from a million of the same sound playing at the same time.
Yep.
Because, yeah, it's kind of deafening if you have like a bunch of salmon or explosions or things like that.
I think I was looking at polyphonic sound for that at some point.
Yeah, I mean, I know you can do that with like a
Yeah, I think
whatever sound player thing. I just don't know how to implement that with our current sound system.
Yeah, I think ideally changes to that are not something that you'll have to worry about because that's like an implementation detail. All the
Yeah.
functions are just like play sound, play this, whatever. Like I think implementing that could be done without having to change any other scripts, hopefully. Yeah, I'll just have to take a day to do that. What am I doing here? Oh yeah, I need to kill this dude. Bonk. Okay, and you didn't print anything because you're not an enemy room. This is an enemy room, which means you should print something.
I'm gonna try something. Where is objects?
You didn't print.
Okay.
Oh, because this isn't in every room. Duh. Ah, I see. That's fine. Oh, this is gonna be pissed because you don't have an owner, right? Yeah. What's wrong with you? Get parents.
Yeah, let's
Okay, no prints. I don't know why I'm doing this. I can just console.print so I don't have to keep tabbing out. Me when I make an on-screen console just to not fucking use it. Okay, cool. That did work. Room 6. Yes. So now what I'll do is I will say... Let's be chest for now. Chest scene. Vaccine. Chest.tscn. There's not like an easy way to tell where the center of this room is there? What are you? Player spawn. Do all rooms just have a player spawn?
probably.
Oh, they do. This player spawn is... Does this room work? When I hit F6, just run it by itself? Nope.
Yeah, I think if there's no player spawn, it just puts them at 0-0.
No, it's that there is a player spawn, and it just puts them at 0. This isn't even 0-0. 0-0 is down here.
Yeah, it's just that I never said it, because you don't spawn in that room.
Yeah. So, question. How do you want to handle chest spawning? Because I was thinking that rooms would just have, like, a center of room node. But I don't know what we want to do with that. Do you know what I'm asking?
Oh, in terms of where the chest spawns, yeah, I
Yeah.
think that would work, yeah.
Okay, I'll just make sure rooms have a...
I know with guns, and it, like, picks a random location, but I...
We could use the navigation region, but, like, that could be weird.
Yeah, I think just a set position, or maybe, like, an array of set positions of, like, oh, it could be here, here, or here.
Yeah, we'll just do one for now.
Yeah. I mean, it's not a big deal.
Yeah. 2D room center. Or yeah, we'll just call it room center. Who cares? Oh, I also found out something that I can do, or that we can do, is maybe not actually. Just kidding. I lied.
Oh.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Now I want to know.
I was gonna say you can do engine.isInPhysicsFrame to see whether or not it's in the physics process step. However, that doesn't actually matter. I was like, oh, we can use this to whenever you spawn an object, if it's at a point where it can't be spawned, just automatically defer it inside of this function. But then I realized, no, that's not going to work, because that just checks if it's in physics process, not if it's in a idle time. I don't think we have. Yeah, I don't know if we have a way to see if we need to, like, call it deferred.
I think I found a part of the solution for the Gibbs feeling a little weak. Not weak, but like underwhelming.
Mm-hmm.
Is to, instead of instantly darkening them, fade them out quickly. Like when you kill an enemy, the Gibbs start at full brightness and then fade out over like a second or two.
Yeah, I see. They kind of just go from like an alive creature to instantly dead.
Yeah. That actually looks that looks good on like everything too. Like the shells that are Gibbs are kind of like bright as they come out and then get dark as they go into the background. As in a salmon looks good because they don't like instantly die. They kind of like flop around and then fade out.
Salmon straight flopping it.
Yeah, it feels a lot more natural.
I can't get the chest. I can't get the chest. It spawned below the level. I can't get the chest. Ah, shit. Why did you... What? What? Oh, I didn't spawn this. No, I did. What? Am I stupid? The answer may surprise you. You literally have an animation player. Why are you not assigned? Did you just forget about that? You were like, ah, never mind. I don't feel like it. No, you literally are assigned. What are we talking about, dude? How did you fuck that one up? Like, actually, how did it fuck that one up? You have an animation player. You don't? What? Am I, like, stupid?
Yeah, maybe. I'm trying to think what kind of particles would fit well on the enemies, like we can kill them.
No, I actually...
Because I tried just like some like smoky kind of like red particles. It doesn't look good.
Oh, it's doing this shit again. Okay, do I have to use your UID? I don't want to, but like, I guess I will. Wait, no, you're... What? Is it because I made this const, or like, what am I doing wrong exactly? Loot. Room loot. Fauna. No, you still cause an error. Huh. I'll just, I really don't want to. Does UID even fix this? Let's find out. My guess is no. No, you don't. Okay. So that's an issue that I need to figure out what to do with. I think that's because you know about this guy who references thing I see, kinda. I could just do like an add on ready var load. Feels gross, but we'll do it for now and see if that works. It does, unfortunately. Ah, man. Okay, that works. Cool. Oh, okay, 22 errors. Or an error. Oh, you need to be call deferred. Yeah. Sorry, correct me if I'm wrong. Connect deferred means that you would be called deferred, right? Like, why are we not... This should be... called deferred. What are we doing? Up inside of you, uninteracted, we play the open animation. Spawn loot is called Quinn. What? I actually don't know how that could be done then. That's weird. Oh no, I'm stupid. I'm really dumb. I've just realized. Sorry. We're being really dumb. Really, really dumb.
In such cases.
Yeah, room loot spawner. You need to be called deferred here. I see. Duh. Okay, yeah. Cool.
Learn how particle
Done and
systems work. Yeah, they can be kind of confusing.
They are really sick. Very, very
They're
sick.
very sick though.
Oh, this is for the tutorial thing. Yeah, I remember why this was annoying. I'm just gonna warn
So I
it.
tried just adding particles to all the gibbs to see how that would look, and it doesn't look. It looks kind of bad, but it's interesting. A little messy. Both literally and figuratively. I don't know what that means, but sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Sometimes I just say words and hope it means what I think it does.
You do,
Oh, I
yeah.
died.
Where's got a sword
The
still?
sword, guys.
Best viewers, get the fuck out of here.
Wait, really? Best viewers?
Get out of here. Don't forget to remove
Wait,
the
that's
space.
Master Liberty saying best viewers. It's over.
That's not. We should
Oh
ban.
wait, now Sarah.
Yeah, we should just ban Master Liberty. That might be the play.
Oh, that might be the play.
Bro is covered with hands.
I
Good.
know. No.
Okay, so I should put a room center in all of these rooms. You are room. Is this room 8? No, this is room 3? Nope, not even fucking close. I don't remember the rooms anymore. It's so over. I used to remember these rooms by heart, but I don't anymore because I don't know. We just don't. We don't do things with them very often anymore.
There we go. Now all the salmon bleed when they die.
What the hell? He's a monster.
It's kind of awful.
Yeah, he's a monster. What the fuck?
It doesn't look terrible, but
The salmon
I don't
bleed
like
when they
it.
die. That's evil.
does the shells coming
They're
out of
doing
your
most
gun.
things. Oh no. What the fuck is that? Bro has a boy kisser emote. That's fucking crazy.
Where did you get that?
JW's like, where did you get that? And how? I need to subscribe to them.
No, no.
No, aha.
No.
All right, buddy, that's it.
I need it.
You're going in the.
It's over. Everybody wants it. No, maybe it does look good. I can't tell. It's kind of funny how I just put it on every gib. It's just anything that has a gib just starts bleeding everywhere. They need some kind of particle that goes like flying out of them when you kill them, like some juicy particle. But
Yeah,
I don't know what.
just like a little
work.
Just like a little blood thing, like from the dust video that I sent you of Terraria.
I've been trying things like that. I tried something like that a while ago and it did not look good at all. I mean, I can try again, but like, I don't know. It also needs a better like kill sound, I think. The current one is like, with the explosive enemies, it feels really nice. Or it feels more nice at least. To kill enemies, but.
I hate the busy work of game dev, man. Like, I'm just sitting here, like, putting shit in the levels. But, like, not, like, anything meaningful in the levels. I'm just going to each of the levels and I'm assigning them a room center variable.
Rip.
Automate it? No, I'm just gonna, like... it's not worth automating. It's, also, you shouldn't be saying that to me because I will do it and JW will get very upset with me.
This is true. Bro's like, it's not worth it, and then he wants to make an automation to automatically set the position of a parallax layer.
Yes, because if you ever change the layout of the level and make it taller, that would need to happen.
You move it by like 2 pixels.
Okay, dude. Sorry for making your life easier. My fault. It doesn't affect me. I'm not making rooms in this game. I need to have this thing do a...
I'm trying to think, are you two married?
Why are you not saying no? The answer is no.
No, I'm just
Bro was like
trying
thinking about that. He's like, I don't know, are we? No.
I was trying to
That's fucking crazy. Yeah, no, the pause is fucking insane.
That's not no, we're not. But I was just trying to
But
what's the word? Am I stupid?
But
yeah, I'm stupid. But process, that's the word.
What?
That was just a what?
Process? What are you...
Because like it's just an unexpected question.
Sorry, what are these? Sorry, I need to pull this up and I need to look at these really quickly. What the fuck are these?
Where did you get all of these? Why are there so many?
Brother.
Bro is going through there and screenshotting every single one of those.
No, I'm not. I'm pulling them up so I can pull them up later on my stream, of course, the VOD.
Yeah. No, yeah. Yep. Anyways,
fucking
no,
funny.
we're not married. To clarify. Not that needs clarification, but you need more pause in your life.
What a funny fucking thing to read. You need more pause in your life.
Yeah, true. I should get a cat.
What?
I'm getting a cat.
No, you're not. Aren't your parents like allergic to cats or something?
Allegedly.
Allegedly, yeah.
Bro
really said
Why is
to
this thing space?
collect my beans.
Space get direct state. Am I like stupid? Is that not what this is? Do I not just do space get direct state? Recasting. I guess I'm going back to this tutorial for the fucking 8th time this year. Accessing state. Oh, I do have to get the space RID from the fucking World 2D.
Also, particle subemitter is really fun.
Yeah,
Just so you know.
I know. Oh yeah, I didn't show people the thing that I discovered that we can do. I'll show them that really quickly. So I discovered if I set up these particles really quickly, new texture, give me like
Oh, he's about to do the cool thing.
let's do
That's part because I need to look up some references.
particle process with a new material canvas item. Particle animation 7H frames. You can tell I've set this up many times in the last like 24 hours. Speed running that shit. And then if I give them a spawn velocity of like a, we'll just say like a good bit. And then make them very explosive with some lifetime randomness. Oh, and align Y. Yeah, and then all of this is going to be thrown away in like probably 5 minutes. So. Are you just still sending pause?
Can we skip this song? What song is it?
Please be peeking
Oh,
the
this one?
soundtrack. Please.
Oh, I was thinking. No, I
Please,
was
is it-
thinking you were on Fiddy's stream. I was like, what song is it? Yeah, we can skip this song.
Is it
Yeah, it's
Pikuniku?
Inkwell L3. No, it's not.
Ah,
We can skip this song if you don't like it.
damn. That would have been funny if it was Pikuniku. Okay, so here's these
That
particles.
would
I'm
be
just gonna add
funny.
like
I don't think I have any Pikuniku on this playlist actually.
So here's all these particles. So one thing that we were looking at was we wanted to turn on collisions for particles at some point. That was a problem because that didn't work with our tile maps. However, there was a
Jazz,
thing.
and I hate jazz. We might need to kill you. I'm sorry.
There was a thing. There was one of the shaders we wanted to write, which would use the tile maps to go like behind them or whatever. So I found out about SDF collisions or SDF like light maps. So if I go into collision, I can turn on rigid, and now they will hit the wall. I can also turn on bounce, which will make them pop off the wall, and it looks a little weird. And that's because we have interpolation turned on, so the actual simulation is this slow. So if I were to change this to 60, and then we can turn interpolation back on, it actually like bounces off of the wall. And if I were to rotate this, like, it's really cool because it just collides. Now, obviously, rotating it, whatever. These aren't Godot physics. This is particle, like this is GPU physics. This uses light map SDF because it's all done on the GPU. It's really cool because I could like turn this down, and then I could make these like scale up. And if I tell this to use scale and make this the correct scale, which I believe was 0.2. Yeah, so now if I were to make them like either, where is scale? Display scale. If I were to make them either like really small or like this, you can see that they kind of work, but they're not supposed to be that small normally. Or make them like large. They like kind of collide off of things. And what's really cool is that this actually ends up being like very performant. So if I were to make this like, I don't know, 2048 particles, and then make their lifetime like, I don't know, 12 seconds. Like, it's not really like lagging. It just kind of works. And I could also make it not explosive, so it kind of just like goes constantly. And maybe make this like, I don't know, 8,000 particles. It like doesn't really lag. because everything's done on the GPU.
Of course, that assumes you have a GPU.
Yeah. Assuming you have a GPU. If you don't, you're going to lag. But that's something we already know about. There's also the issue of it disappearing when it's off screen, but that's because I'm not baking the
I
visibility
can't
rec.
find like any references for
So yeah, this is like really cool.
death effects. I don't know what to do.
Yeah. I believe the scale could also go up over time, which would affect the collision, or it would go down over time. Like it looks so cool. So cool. Anyways, all that to say, we can have
Oh yeah, Biddy.
collision stuff.
Can we also make a bloodstain system for the walls,
Sure.
please?
Do we have decals in 2D? We don't. That's
No,
okay. We
but
could just
you
use a
don't-
sprite.
You literally just mask it to the. It's.
I know, but like,
I mean, the main thing with decals is like it wrapping around things, which like you don't need to do that in 2D.
yeah, but are you on Biddy Vision, or were you ever on Biddy Vision?
I'm on Biddy Vision, but that's because I was that's what I was.
Okay, yeah, I know what you're saying.
You know what I'm saying?
What the fuck is he saying?
You know when the particle is the thing in it. Fascinating.
Yep, that's the one. Also, I don't think the game will export right now. Just a little heads up.
What did you do?
Don't worry about it.
When
Do not
don't
worry about it. Oh, this did not. Oh, because it doesn't have ground collision. Take any extra parameters? You do collision mask. What layer is walls are on layer 6, right? Which means they would just be 1 shifted 5. Yes. I should do something smart. I don't think I'm gonna be doing that anytime soon though. Intersect Ray, you're not okay, you're done already. What if I were to go to a room here and holy shit, you fucking move so much with the sawed off. Holy shit, you move so fucking much with the sawed off.
Just a little bit.
Let's see. So why did you not do the thing that I wanted you to do? Query from global position up. I don't know. It says 16 pixels, but that doesn't go from there to. Oh, that's supposed to be down. Aw, man. Can I guess I could spawn these every time I press a button. How about that? Welcome back, money debug spawn. You're now chest debug spawn that you haven't been money debug in a long time.
Biddy, try not to add a debug spawn button challenge.
Why the fuck wouldn't I? As much as I want to complete a room every time to check something. Okay, so that does get the position, which is cool, I guess. I should also move this all up. Oh, I just realized that this is just changing. Are we gonna do tests in game? Yeah. Once I get this working. Okay, cool. So this sets the
never.
position, and then I'll say I can tell you to drop to the floor. Let's say if collision dot position. Except you're a dictionary, so you're gonna be annoying. Global tests? Almost certainly not. Or automated tests, sorry. I don't know why I said global. That's not what you said ever.
Tests.
Yeah, automated tests, almost certainly not. Oh, this should be behind the level, right? This should be behind the tiles.
What should?
The outline of the sprite.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Sorry.
Yep.
Yep.
No, yeah, automated tests probably not. Because I don't know. There's not like a whole lot of. I can't think of many things that could be automated for this. Plus, like writing unit tests takes like a long time, and then the test could have issues. I don't see it happening. It may, but I don't see it happening, at least for a while. What am I doing? Why did I just run the game again? Why did I just hit F5 as if that was ever the thing I wanted to do? Actually, I could make this utility function at some point, because I think that's something we're probably going to want to use often. There was something in the utilities that I wanted to add, and I don't remember what it was. Oh, yeah. Util.gd. Which would be const ground mask, physics ground mask, 0b. If it's layer 6, I think that should be right. What layer is... Is there ever any time something wants to look for the jump pad layer as well as the ground layer? Or I guess also the drop platform, huh?
I don't know.
Actually, I think drop platform should be included in that, probably. Although I guess I could do something that's like const ground layer, which would be like that, and then have some sort of like static var. I'm not gonna do that. But, like I could have a function that just does all of that shit. Like you can compound them together if you want. So that will be layer 6 and layer 5, which are the 5th and 6th bits. Cool. And then if I were to go back into chest, I can do util dot ground mask. Why didn't you go off? That's weird. Hmm. I guess it didn't register with me that those are not gonna do that, even though I feel like they should. Okay, well that works, kinda. Cool. Oh, I guess I haven't shown this off since last stream, but I think it was last night that I added these tooltips so you can actually see what your relics are, which will probably be changed a little bit. But... Yay, the chest spawns, and then you can open it up, and it gives me... Why'd you spawn in like that? That probably wasn't supposed to be visible at first. What the hell? Right? I don't understand. Oh, I do understand. I know what's up with it. It's because it spawned in the ground, technically, because the chest is here. So it's supposed to pop up. Hi, Callie. How the fuck is it almost 8:30 already? Evil.
I don't know.
Evil. Yay, okay, so that does launch out. Yippee. And then we wanted those to be above the ground more,
Yeah,
right?
give me a random number 1 through 3.
Or 2.
Somebody. 2, okay.
I just looked over at what you were... motherfucker. We have 3 different one-shot particle scripts. Oh no. Oh, why do we have 3 different one-shot particle scripts? That's a good question.
Yeah, that one works, I guess.
What do? You just emit and then on finish. This is if it's a one-shot. Sure, dude. I see one of these has a lot more code in it, which is making me think that this is the one that's supposed to be. It is. So this one is one that you attach to a node 2D, and then it emits all of the children particles.
So much more work.
What? What did you attach it to?
A particle?
No, but what are those particles attached to?
I don't know. No 2D.
Can you show me what you just put them on?
But this one works. Like,
Okay.
actually, let's see if it works first.
This one works. Let me see if it works first. Did it... Which particles are they? Is it the blood
The
spray?
one, yeah.
Can you see if they're actually being freed at the end of the everything? Oh, hi, Callie. Hey, sweet girl.
It looks like it. Probably. Yeah. Yeah, there.
Okay.
Maybe.
Maybe.
C1.
The other ones are also there. They're called Node 2D because they don't have force readable name enabled.
Oh. Okay, then yeah, they are still there.
Yeah, so if it's just a Node 2D with GPU particles, just use the long one-shot particle script.
Fine. You're lame.
Yeah.
Do I need to do anything here?
No, it just lets you test them in the editor.
Oh, okay. Oh, wait, that's actually.
Yeah, I know.
Wait.
Yeah, I know. That's why I did it.
Oh, you didn't tell me that.
Brother. Hi, Callie. Hi, sweet girl. Boop. Nice. And la boop. La boop boop.
Love boop boop.
Where is... So I wanted to make this hover a little bit. And you don't. I just like move this up. What the fuck is that? Oh, the line is up there. I see. Oh, am I adding... No. Why is there a line there? You shouldn't be there anymore. Weird. Whatever. You're gonna be down, yeah, because it's... Let's see. La boo boo. Sorry.
Boo boo.
Can I spawn a relic, perhaps? Yay, those bob above the ground now. Cool. Thoughts, JW?
Yes, that looks good.
Why did I choose a Vaporeon instead of a Sylveon? I used to be... I don't know. I think fish are cool, but also I used to swim a lot when I was a kid. Like, I used to swim a fuck ton. I've always just kind of liked water element, and I think that they're goobers.
I hate water.
Yeah. Noodle, you taste furry. JW, you taste furry according to Master Liberty.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Oh my god, you have so many fucking furry emotes. How many channels are you subscribed to? So this reminds you of whenever you were replicating Titanfall 2's movement. Did you know Titanfall 2 uses the source engine?
Did you know that? Did you know that this?
Yep, you got it, man. Yeah, you can make fun of me without even getting through, like, bro stutters. Two words in. let me also, I'm gonna set the forge up to use the new interaction thing. So it gets highlighted.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sorry. Dude, do not even... Dude, I am so excited for this week. Probably. We'll see. Probably. You know what's happening this week, JW?
I don't know.
Neither do I.
My birthday.
Speculation-wise, allegedly there's gonna be a big Valve announcement.
Oh yes, I'm excited for this week too. I forgot.
Why are you excited? What? For what?
Because
The Valve?
Hytale.
The Valve thing?
And Valve too, yeah.
No.
But also Hytale.
Yeah.
I hope they
Hytale's
announce
alive. Hytale's alive. Don't hold my breath. I know.
this. Yeah.
I doubt that they're
I
gonna
hold my
actually announce
breath.
something, but I know that something is going to be
Half-Life
announced
3
soon.
tomorrow.
I know
Half-Life
something's
3
going to be
tomorrow.
announced soon,
Guys, Half-Life 3 tomorrow.
because many things have been pointed to it. This is not like insider knowledge or anything. I actually don't fucking know, but like, I know that this is going to happen because, So why the fuck is there a signal connected here? Meh. You know what happened to Titanfall 3 and it's just better to let it go? I've been telling JW that for like fucking years, man. JW's like,
I love Titanfall.
I'm like, dog. Knock it off. We're playing Apex.
Okay, we might have to kill you for that one.
Yeah. Fair enough. So you won't have body entered anymore. You will... Funk. Ready. Wait. Or no, this one will, var... Interaction area.
Imagine if Valve, instead of announcing Half-Life 3, they announced that they bought Titanfall and are making Titanfall 3 for the
And it's a
game.
card game.
I mean, that'd be pretty cool too.
It wouldn't be.
It would.
No, it wouldn't. Don't. Day of Defeat 2. Holy shit.
I don't know what that is.
It's like a military-ish game. It was on the Source engine. It's like old. People really like it.
That's why I don't know about it.
Yeah, you're like too Zoomer coded. Like, I know I'm technically
Yeah.
a Zoomer also, but like, you're like a Zoomer.
La boo boo.
La boo boo. I wonder what this is gonna be like. I wonder if this is gonna have any issues whatsoever. I just run this and see if this crashes. I guess we'll find out. It will crash actually, now that I've thought about it. Yep. 1, you are not a node 2D. And 2, I don't think these... Oh no, they do. Okay. Execution order doesn't matter, I guess. Wait, it didn't crash? What? It's not working, but it didn't crash. That's like kind of insane. I don't remember how the system was set up. Is this, does the player interact with this, or does the thing interact with the player? The player interacts with this. Okay, cool. Oh shit. Wait, JW.
Oh. That looks sick.
Do you think that the anvil should be also part of the outline, or do you think it's fine to have the anvil be like a separate outline?
I think that looks fine since it's kind of like in front.
Okay.
It's like a separate
Because it could
object.
we could also use like a canvas layer or a canvas group, and have this like apply to both of these, I think. I actually don't know if that... Oh, there it goes. It's gone. Yeah, that's not going to work. Whatever. I would figure it out if you cared enough about it, but whatever. If it's not like a 2-second fix. Yeah. Also, sorry, you'll ask your friend to ban which one of us for being a furry. For me, that wouldn't make sense because I'm not, but I understand if you're talking about furry noodle or not furry noodle. No, yeah, furry
What did
noodle.
I do? No.
Is that furry? No, you're soggy croissant. Sorry. Which one am I? I don't fucking know.
I don't know.
I'm soggy croissant. You're furry noodle with hands, right? Yeah. Yeah. I remember that. Yeah. So furry noodle. Titanfall 3 had grapple as its campaign ability. No. Wasn't Titanfall 3 going to be an extraction shooter? Or am I wrong?
Allegedly.
Right? That's what it was, yeah.
Yeah, there's like rumors about it. I don't want to think about it.
You're literally playing like an extraction shooter half the fucking time I'm talking to you now.
No, I'm not. Not the fact that it's an extraction
Okay.
shooter, but the fact that it didn't come out.
You can't comment on that? It was leaked, I'm fairly certain. Let's see. Oh, there was a Titanfall, a game set in the Titanfall universe that was an extraction shooter. There it is. So it wasn't directly Titanfall 3, I guess. You think the Anvil should be able to choose whether it has an outline? I mean, it can, kinda. Actually, don't know. Okay, so pressing E causes this to immediately go back into panic mode, right? If I do console.print org interaction. Correct? Yeah, okay. However, menus.tscn, what if I had you do this on menu closed? Hide menus. Is it? You're being called, right? Console.print. Using? Yeah, I think I would like to call this deferred so that this flushes input. There we go. That works so much better than whatever the fuck I was doing before. Why does it... Feels weird. Master Liberty, I'm assuming you saw the Hytale news, by the way, right? I don't know, are you excited for that at all? I'm very excited for that. Not Hytale tomorrow.
Oh yeah, before we end stream, can we watch the...
Yeah, sure.
15 minutes of
yeah.
play?
But Hytale is saved. I'm actually so excited because Simon actually just seems like such a good guy. Like, he seems like so genuine, and I love that. Yeah, not many games get uncanceled. This is so true. I'm actually so... I hate Riot. Asterisk. I still unfortunately play League of Legends. But like, the fact that they were willing to give the rights back to Simon is, like, so fucking cool. I think, honestly, if they had been funded by, like, basically any other studio, I think that this game would have died forever. But I think because Riot is a little different, I think that this is great. But, like, there's so many things that are just, like, this is going to be early access. There's going to be bugs. Frequent updates that break shit. And there was this one thing that he said. Where was it? Early access is our way of earning your trust, not asking for it. It's just, like, so... I love the way that this is phrased because this lets you know exactly what he's doing. This isn't like you're paying money to play this early access. It's we're gonna have you play this early access and we're gonna prove to you that it's worth it. It's just like it's so good. He's so upfront about so many things and I actually really, really respect it. Also, how is Soggy Croissant not a furry despite looking like a furry? Just because it looks like a furry doesn't mean it's a furry. Like, you ever heard the saying, don't judge a book by its cover? Which, like, admittedly is kind of a stupid saying because, like, why would the books... Like they have a cover for a reason, you know? But, like, whatever. Doesn't apply here. Does not apply here. Hi, Callie. I'm sorry. I'm speaking and she's getting pissed.
Relatable.
What? Hey. Okay, so the forge is good for now, I think. The chest does spawn when the room is completed, so if I go over here and spawn kunai, because kunai is the quickest way to clear a room, I guess. Chest will spawn. Pop. Oh. Yet. Why did it spawn like that? I thought that it would. What the hell? Chest of TCN. You do spawn an object spawned at global position, which is up here. Oh, you still touch the ground. That's annoying. Whatever. I'll just go here and then say... Well, actually, hold on. Hold on. Print. Body. Entered. On that bitch in. Why did that one... What? I might be stupid. I had the sprite turned on in the scene. Whoa. Dude, that looks so epic and cool. Why did that... That's really funny. I actually really like that. The way that it like pops out and then like immediately hits the roof and falls back down is really funny.
Wait, what? Okay, I want to see, sorry. I've been trying to do something one more time.
Pop. Pop.
Yeah, you still need to make the light go away. It's gonna bother me.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. So, you're literally a water noodle dressed as a frog next to a sentient furry noodle that is covered in hands, making a game with a boy history emote in it. Okay, dude. I mean, like, I'm sure if we wanted to like pull apart your life story, we could find something wrong in there. But like,
Wow. Okay.
it's like evil to just be like, well, here's all the things wrong with you. That's another fucking furry emote? Oh my god, how many people are you fucking subscribed to, dog? Or sorry, what's your fursona species? So I can refer to you by the correct... How many people are you subscribed to, cat? How many people are you subscribed to, fox? Whatever the fuck it is. Where's... oh yeah, you wanted me to make that chest TSC in... Light. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, ba. Yeah, no, that needs to go away over like a much longer period of time.
Maybe it is the sound that makes it feel bad,
Sound?
to be honest. Of killing enemies. Something about it is just like not it.
What's the sound of
But, like,
killing an
when I have
enemy right now?
explosion,
Actually,
it
the
feels
fact that I
better.
can't picture it in
It's-
my mind is like it's like a
Yeah, it's just like the
right?
kind of it's like the crunchy SFX star sound that really sucks.
yeah, that,
Sure.
yeah. Oh my god, it's another fucking paw emote, dude. Oh, wait, these are for followings. Wait, no, they aren't. No, they are. Yeah. They're not even for subscribed. Okay, I see. That makes a lot more sense. I thought all of those were emotes that you had because you were subscribed to people, which is a fuck ton of money that would be.
Like this feels really good, so I'm just testing this with the flying guy, just because. But like,
What if you
it's
use
red, a little bit of red.
what if you were to use the egg spawn sound?
The egg spawn sound when you kill them.
Maybe layer that with something.
The egg spawn sound.
The crack. Egg crack.
The egg crack. It's not spawn sound, but okay.
Like that alongside with something like crunchier.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have like a lack of sounds to mix. It's just
Yeah,
like I
fair.
have to do that, and I don't want to do that on stream because that will
Better
be
spin
painful
on
for
me.
people.
No, brother, I do not have monetization turned on my streams.
Here, let me turn on. How do I do that?
You have to apply to be a Twitch affiliate, which is
Uh,
probably one of the worst things you could do, at least right now.
yes.
Unless you start
Okay.
getting like significantly consistent viewers, you could do that. You would just
Yeah,
have to take
I
breaks.
get 2 viewers.
You just have to take breaks
I have to
for
take
ads.
breaks. That's terrible.
Well, you'd have to do ad breaks, not like breaks.
Yeah,
One thing
that's
that
break.
Quellis does that I actually really like is because a lot of like game dev streamers have started like pausing their streams during ad time. And one of the things that he does during that is instead of pausing, he has a game called Words on Stream. Where
Pausing.
yeah, all right, buddy.
Sorry.
Where it'll just be like, here's like a bucket of like 7 letters or something, and it's like make every word that you can, and you send it in chat, and then it like gives the points to the person who made the word first.
Oh, that's cool.
And it usually lasts like a few minutes while the ad break thing is going on.
Yeah.
So here's what I got, by the way, GW. So you can see if I go over here. Up, up. Oh, I didn't kill him. Spawns in. Up. Loot. And I got the thing. Yay. Thoughts and or prayers?
Beautiful. That looks great.
Okay. Anything you would change about it right now?
No.
Actually, I would. Whenever this opens, I think this should like darken, like so it becomes like part of the background a little bit.
Yeah, you're right.
Probably like
Just a little bit.
I don't want it to be like super noticeable either. I'm so soggy. I'm soggy as fuck right now. Sorry, my fault.
Okay.
Why is this not?
I'm thinking my Baja Blast.
He's thinking it Baja Blastly. So will this... Weird. I don't know why that's not... Why is that not modulating down? Oh, because this gets a shader, I think, on it, right? You do. I wonder if there's a way for me to edit this so it doesn't affect modulate. Actually, I don't think that's going to be an issue, because JW doesn't really put sprites up against the edge of the thing.
What do I not do?
You don't usually have sprite. Oh, that happens there apparently. Oh, just kidding. You definitely do. Sprites pushed up against the edge of the texture. Like how here there's not like a padding row.
Yeah, I do that a lot.
Ah, okay. Well, that's an issue here at least. Oopsie, never mind. I forget, is there a way to get modulate inside of a 2D shader? Is it called like tint? Color? There's color, but I don't think that's it. No, color's the output, right? Yeah, duh. I literally just tried that. That's fine. I can just this uniform for tint source color, which will be white. Can I do that color white? No. White. A hint white? Maybe not. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Many such cases.
He doesn't know what he's talking about, guys.
Many such cases. Cool. Okay, that works. And then I can just animate this over time instead. Cool, that works, hopefully. Oh shit, that broke. Oh, you have someone saying hello to you, JW.
Oh, hello. How
Hi.
are you? I'm doing very well.
Hi.
I'm just failing at making particles that look good, so a little annoyed. But it could be going worse.
True. Oh yeah, that actually, I really like that, JW, the dimmed
What?
chest.
Oh yeah, that's so much better.
That
Yeah.
way it like is clear that you've already opened it, and it kind of slowly fades to...
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I like the slow fade.
You think it should be faster? Fair enough.
Yeah.
Like, how fast are we thinking?
No clue.
Okay. It's helpful, at least.
Shooting cat looks great. Well, let's show you something even cooler. Where's the salmon storm? Salmon storm.
Salmon Storm. You hear the enthusiasm behind his voice. You can tell he's having a good time.
Yeah, I'm very, very jolly right now.
We're so happy with his life.
No, I'm just tired.
Yes. Salmon
More
Storm.
salmon. Sorry, bro.
What?
That is not what I sound like.
You're right. Salmon Storm. That's what he sounds like.
Shut up. We got bees, and we got pumpkins that have exploding candy corn. A lot of things.
La boo boo.
Your voice is so low. It's not that low.
No, he's just tired. He doesn't usually talk this low.
Yeah, I don't usually talk like this. Like this is like,
He's being performative for stream.
hey guys, I worked at Blizzard for like 7 years.
Hey guys, I worked at Blizzard for like 7 years. You can eat my entire ass. Yeah, sorry. Fire suffer reference.
Now I forgot what I was even doing.
You were failing at making something.
Salmon Storm.
Salmon Storm.
Sounds like the average Valorant player.
That's true, actually.
I'm also really good at talking about
Yeah. You
I
haven't
have
played
this
Valorant ever, have you, JW?
words. No.
Thank the
I've
fucking
not.
lord you haven't. Valorant players are obnoxious. Okay, I think I'm good on the chest. I think the chest works. I might want to try... What the hell? Sorry, whenever I hover over my obsidian window, one of my windows on my left monitor becomes a pride flag, and I have no fucking clue why. What window is that, even?
Okay.
I don't even know. Whatever. Weird. Oh yeah, the line. What did you want the line to be for the item drop? What color did you want it to be? Because currently
Rarity or something. Oh.
we wanted it to be rarity.
Yeah, I think that would look good.
It would be. Is that gonna do anything during this demo?
I mean, yeah, weren't you gonna have like loot tables or whatever?
I mean, yeah, I will, but like, I don't know if we
Yeah,
haven't
I'm just
decided
like-
what the.
Yeah, we can just set random values. Who cares?
We can just set random values. No one gives a fuck.
But yeah, well, we just well,
Yeah,
I mean,
fair enough. No, you're right. Actually, that is true.
Not like actually random, but like, hey, this one feels pretty powerful. Let's make it more rare.
Yeah.
It's not that hard.
Yeah. I can drop like a rarity on these. Oh shit! I'm like goated with like thinking. Do we have like star particles?
Sauce? Star particles.
We don't have like stars, do we?
We like sparks and like
We have sparks? No, the sparks are just squares, aren't they?
no. Yeah. What are you trying to do?
Stars particle.
Okay, sounds good.
Like things that are like
stars.
shiny. Like whenever something is
Shiny.
shiny.
Oh, like yeah.
Like sparkly shinies. We don't really have anything that...
sparkly shiny.
Do you have anything that would work for that?
No, not really.
No.
Maybe the mana diamonds, but those are pretty big. I mean, you can use those just for testing for right now. It's called mana.
These guys.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Yeah.
Yeah, they're a little big, but you could just use that as like testing for now.
Yeah.
Like convey your idea.
Sorry, my fault. Is there a way to make particles animate backward? Would they? They wouldn't animate backwards.
Particles
Never mind.
animate.
I was thinking backwards, but I don't. Can I make them animate backwards? Like start large and then animate backwards? The answer is maybe.
Oh, you mean like from the outside? Like outside in?
No, like
we-
have the frames that they go through start from like
Oh.
the last frame and go
oh.
backwards.
I don't. Maybe.
I don't. Maybe.
I don't think so.
I don't. Maybe. He says.
Don't ask me.
The answer is
I
yes.
don't know. I don't know.
He doesn't know. This is correct.
If you hear that whatever stupid Minecraft AI thing.
What?
Minecraft had like some AI character on their website, but if you ask them like literally any question, 70% of the time they just say, I don't know.
Oh, that's pretty funny. Dude,
It's supposed to answer like questions about like Minecraft and stuff, but you'd have to ask it like, how do I craft a minecart? And it's like, I don't know.
That's funny. No, I have a fucking my Google Assistant thing. I'm just like, oh, what is this? And it's just like the most simple question ever. It's like, what is like 10 centimeters in inches? And it goes, sorry, I don't know. And I'm like, dog, you're Google. What the fuck do you mean you don't know? It's not even like an AI. It's just like the voice assistant. Just read the first result on Google, man.
That's very funny.
I hate AI.
Real win.
Imagine if we made AI cool instead of just like stealing people's art.
Yeah.
Never gonna happen.
Or did you know that our graders uses AI and they're
I
evil?
did.
Just kidding.
This is true. They are evil. For that.
It's not. I wouldn't say it's evil. I think it's a decent way of doing it as long as they're getting paid reasonably. The only thing that I don't like about it is that it sets a precedent for other companies to just do that and then do it in a not good way.
Yeah, I don't really
But-
like it, to be honest. I don't know.
Yeah, but of all the ways they could do it, I don't really like it. I don't have a problem with it. Like all normal generative AI, most generative AI stuff, I'm like, I just don't like it at all, and I
Mhm.
dislike it.
Yeah, you hear it, guys.
That's
JW
means the
just
same
said that
thing.
he
I'm
likes
bad at
AI.
words. No, I don't actually.
He just said that he likes AI.
But with that, it's like I don't really have a problem with it. It just, but I don't think it sounds as good as like having actual voice actors. But as long as they're getting paid, you know, and the rest of the game is very enjoyable. It's not like they just like made AI slop, you know.
Yeah, no, for sure. Definitely not.
Yeah.
Shroud
Unless
was
you
very,
count
very
the
upset,
evil-
apparently, that the game didn't get put on
Didn't get
fucking Game of the
nominated on
Year. Yeah.
You know, there's this category called like multiplayer game of the year.
Dude, I can't believe he said the thing that he was like, oh, it's so easy for single player games to win Game of the Year. And I'm like, dog, fuck off.
And like I wouldn't, it's not that good. Like it's a very fun game. I do agree. Here we go, Biddy. How does this look? It's a little hard to tell in this room, but I just don't like particles for when they die. They kind of like linger. I think that helps a little bit.
What? Sorry? Let me put you on
Particles
screen.
when you kill these guys.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
They need a little work, but also put a little bit too much damping on some of them so they look a little weird. But it just adds like more depth to it. And then when it does that, it would also add like splatters on like the walls and like any background tiles. But yeah, I like it.
Yeah. Looks good.
And I think improving the sound will definitely help. And I think that's good. So improve the sound, add the wall splatters and stuff, and I think it'll be pretty good. And it feels really good if you have the explosive enemies.
What if I did some evil things to the scale graph?
No, I died. Well, I guess we get to see what it looks like in black and white now.
Fire.
Don't get me. You won't. You won't do it. It's all exploded because chain reaction. That's the nice thing about upping the explosion damage is you can get chain reactions way easier.
The chain reactions do feel really fun, yeah. I'm glad that
Yeah.
I added that in as like a possibility.
Yeah,
I'm
I need to
glad that
get a
you're
good
leaning
GIF of
into
like
it.
a natural chain reaction, and that needs to go on the Steam page because it's so satisfying.
Yeah. Hmm.
I literally posted the GIF, like the first GIF that I made of the chain reaction in the Aramis's Discord, and he like instantly responded, "Put this on your Steam page right now," because it looks so good.
That really doesn't look good. I don't think this is gonna look good unless I have like a good texture work. I can't like conceive of how to make this look. I just wanted spark particle or like shiny particles for whenever like you get a rare item or whenever a relic spawns.
Just make it shiny.
How do I like kill this guy? He didn't answer this, but probably just didn't see it. He's been working on this
Probably didn't
since
see it.
May of 2024. About a year and a
This
half.
is true.
First commercial game, yes, for both of us.
Yes.
Alright, spawn a relic. You got it, buddy. Fuck. Spawn a relic. Wow. That looks like shit. I thought that would be a one-shot particle, but it's not.
You have a Steam page? Yeah.
Yeah.
It is the message directly above yours.
Just set the one-shot. Why is this looping? Oh,
That's
'cause-
okay. Whenever I'm in a Twitch chat, I also just ignore the automated messages because I'm a terrible
Based
person
as
like
fuck.
that. Hey, no, don't ignore the messages. They're important.
Oh, actually, I should just have this be next eggs dot one shot. Dude, it's a fucking one shot Nico reference.
Good one-shot reference.
One shot Nico.
Who hates bots? Me when I'm playing Arc Raiders.
Wow. Sure, that is probably funny to people playing Arc Raiders. What is Arc Raiders, JW?
It is a game.
A good one?
Yeah,
Probably.
it's pretty good. You kill robots and sometimes other players, but mostly robots. Oh, I didn't see the new chest open animation, by the way, so I just want to make sure you did it right.
Just make sure I did it right. Alright, I hate you. I need you
Yeah.
dead. I need you killed.
Okay. Bro think he can draw. Dante 9 will be cooked.
What are you saying? What are you talking about? I think I can draw.
AI.
What are you talking about? I'm not drawing.
Then how you gonna make Dante 9? Twin.
one spawn in the air. Oops. Oh, there was a card pack behind that. Oopsie. You talking about this thing? Take a look.
Looking. No. Sorry, the spawn animation.
Oh, the spawn animation.
Yeah, that's much better. Maybe like a couple little tweaks, but it's pretty much perfect.
Okay, once I get these particles into a spot that I'm somewhat happy with, we can watch the hightail video.
Okie dokie. Yeah, I'm almost done with my particles as well.
Whoa. You're so particle filled.
Yeah.
Honestly, at this point, man, don't even fucking animate these motherfuckers. Just like stay at 0 and then like give me just a random frame from them.
Should I program anybody to work on my game with? Just join random YouTubers' Discord servers and show them your game until they like it, and then they'll work on your game for you. It works for me, it can work for you.
Yeah, unfortunately true. Oh, it's 128. It's too many particles.
What am I doing?
You don't think they would enjoy what you make? You'll never know. I mean, a lot of people, I've had a few people, I should hang out in my Discord more, but I had people just show me like games that like I wouldn't really enjoy. Like, I don't know if I'd be playing, I don't know, maybe I'd play Dante's 9 if it was just like completely unrelated to me. But in terms of like games that I would really like to play, like, this isn't cracking the top 10, I'll tell you that.
Wow.
You know what it is though? Caves of Cud.
Hightail.
Hightail too, but like Caves of Cud.
Yeah.
Man, Caves of Cud. Aw, Caves of Cud.
This guy wants to play Caves of Cud so bad.
I actually,
what I was doing now.
dude, I'm so sad about Caves of Cud, man. 'Cause I think I've found like one of my favorite games, and I think I've played it to death, and it makes me really sad because I don't know if there's any more that I can play of it.
That's cool.
It's so sad, actually. 4 plus 2 Go 6 plus 7. Have they added 6 plus 7 yet? Have they added that back? Please, for the love of God, tell me they have. God, I want to play 6 plus 7 again. It's actually so sad that they took that away.
Might be evil.
Yeah. You haven't played in a week, you'll check later. Fair enough. I mean, I'll probably check soon-ish. Okay, these particles are fine enough for now. So if you just get a card, it spawns the card. And if you get a relic, ooh, it spawns particles, pretty particles. I'll also toss in a few particles to the here.
Guys, I did vector math and it was right the first time.
What you did? You didn't do vector math.
What you did? Yeah, I mean I used a function.
You didn't do
but,
vector math. You called functions.
Yeah, that's hard for me. Okay, getting the direction too, and then the angle.
No, congrats, man.
And then turning it into a rotation. Like that's hard.
You're right. We're also very proud of you. Also, I don't know if you know what 6 plus 7 is, JW. Like the...
Is it like 4 plus 2, but 6 plus 7?
Yeah, it's 4 plus 2 with like
Yeah.
you can also like you can add 3 passives throughout the rest of the game. And I really enjoyed it, but it was only a limited time run while they were like testing it. And so one day I logged on and I played a 6 plus 7 by myself, except I loaded in and that shit was not 6 plus 7.
Oh, that's awkward.
I got sad.
The pumpkins have so much knockback, it's hilarious. Oop, I'm dead. I was not paying attention to my health. Let's see what he kills someone.
It looked like they had a limited run of it again that ended yesterday for 6 plus 7. Fuck! Okay, sorry. I'm not upset. I'm not upset.
He's not upset, guys.
I'm not upset. It's not that big of a deal. It's fine. Literally doesn't matter. Man. It's fine. We got Hightail at least still.
Yeah. Dante's 9 voted the most unreadable game of 2026.
Did someone say that, or is that just like the truth?
No, I'm just saying that because I can't tell what's going on right now.
And you made the game. Those light
Yeah.
shafts look really good, but I am a little
Well,
worried about them being like in the way of things. Something I would like to
See how they're in. The big one in the middle is going to be like for like important things like the forge. And then I was thinking just have like little tiny ones, like the ones in the corner.
Okay, I see.
Like used sparingly, not like all over the place, obviously. I mean, maybe more so in other levels, but we'll see. Where is my cat food? I need cat food.
Me, whenever I realize I'm out of potted meat.
Oh, those all blew up at once. That was interesting. Oh yeah, that's really satisfying with the new particles, the chain reaction. Oh yeah, look at that. That's so satisfying. What the heck? It's lagging a bit, but that's probably because I'm streaming.
Hopefully. I guess we'll find out.
Oop, I broke something. I can't use my cards.
If you hold right click.
Infinite cards, but no cards. I'm holding right click.
Oh no. What the fuck did you do?
I don't know.
Are there errors in console?
Yeah, they're fake invisible cards. No, it's just this one.
Just that one? Damn.
I think I hit the trigger and then like messed up something. This has happened a couple times before. It would happen if I was in a room and then would teleport out of it before finishing it. It would do the same thing.
I see.
And give me invisible cards. I have no cards, no cards. Is this a reference to something? Because if it is, I have no clue what it is.
What are we talking about?
The average Godot enjoyer said you have no cards, no cards.
I don't know. I also don't get that one.
Infinite, unlimited cards, but no cards.
Limited cards, no cards.
Many such cases. It's so true. Indeed, many such cases. Well, that was pretty fun. Do it again. Vinny, hold up.
What's up? Oh.
Oh, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one.
Oh, you don't have my
Let me just
changes
lower
that
it.
have the enemy preview, so you had no idea what you were drawing.
Well, this could be interesting.
Oh my
Okay, this might
god.
be really. Just a warning. This might be really loud.
The game is really laggy. I don't know if that's what you're seeing, but it looked... Oh my god. Holy shit, look at this.
What is going on?
Is it laggy for you? I'm assuming the answer is yes.
It's very laggy.
Okay.
I think they're all dead.
Somehow there are some that lived.
The particles look really nice though. Oh, and I'm dead.
Holy.
I don't know how that didn't like crash and die.
It's kind of impressive that it didn't. I mean, it
Yeah, I'm
definitely
sorry,
died.
I tried to warn that it was very loud. It was
Yeah.
not severely loud. I did not mean to do that.
Yeah, no, it definitely crashed. Not died. But it died, not
here,
crashed.
I will we'll try that again, and I will turn down the volume in here so that way I don't deafen everybody.
Yay.
Spawn enemy. Okay, fire spawn. There we go. That's the one we wanted. Here we go. Oh, I don't have the relic. That's I was like, why aren't they exploding?
Sorry, does this not like do the thing that I asked them to? Oh no, they do.
Here you go, Biddy. You can see it now.
Oh shit. Everything looks so fucking motion blurry on your stream right now.
Okay, I had a bit too many, so it kind of lagged. Looks nice when it doesn't lag.
What if we added motion blur on into Dante's 9?
What if we added motion blur to Dante's 9? There we go. Now it's a little less laggy. Oop. How do I die so fast? The guy with 12 million enemies on his screen.
Yeah, like that's definitely what's gonna happen when you actually play Dante's 9. Is you're just gonna die
Yeah, this
that
is what
quickly.
the game looks like. Yeah.
Yeah, when you die, you'll have a chance to keep shooting, but like you won't be able to move on.
Yeah. Honestly, that could be kind of funny. But no, we should not do that. Okay. Whoa, one more time. I want to do it again. Again. Oop. By the way, I noticed that when you restart the game, it still shows as having a relic in here,
Yeah.
but it doesn't actually apply it.
Yeah, it's
I know, it's like
because you actually
bugs
do
and
have
stuff
the relic. It's
still.
just that it doesn't add it back to the player.
Oh. I see.
So like, yeah.
There we go. Kaboom. So satisfying. Yeah, all the new particles are really great. Can give me some cat food before I die. Motion blur, the motion blur. True. Wait, you might be cooking.
It's like actually crazy that it looks like it has motion blur on it because it definitely doesn't.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't.
It's like I would be screaming if it had motion blur because I hate motion blur.
This guy hates motion blur, by the way.
This is true.
Yeah, it's very satisfying, even if it's a little laggy. But yeah, the new blood particle things look nice, especially with like a big I'm gonna add TTA.
Holy.
Can you pull up the Hytale video?
Yeah, actually will in a second. Let me TTA. TAA? Temporal anti-aliasing?
TAA. Yeah.
No,
Yeah, we
probably
will.
not. What? No, we're not. Why the fuck would we add temporal anti-aliasing when you fucking despise mixels?
Oh, wait, actually, I just realized I can take the since when you kill the enemies, it passes in the last attack, and that I'm feeding to the blood particles to determine direction. I
Mhm.
could set the like intensity or like the launch of the blood particles by
The knockback.
how strong the knockback is.
Holy.
But it looks really nice. I like how it looks. And it works with like these pumpkins and stuff. I may have created like the most satisfying game to ever exist. They just keep spawning and getting exploded. So today I have learned that the secret to good VFX is layering.
Yes, sir. Always has been.
Yeah.
Did you watch the League of Legends VFX video that I sent you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just like...
Yeah.
I don't remember when I watched that. I know I did. But I think that was like after I had done a lot of the particle stuff.
Yeah.
I think right after that was when I made like the generic particles and stuff. And then I was messing around with like the particles for the slime guy.
Hmm. JW, can you look at this?
Okay.
Hopefully this spawns a relic. Yay. If it's a relic, it spawns particles.
Interesting. Yeah, make it work.
That way it feels cool to the player that they got something cool.
I think it should have particles for everything.
Probably. I think we can just have like different types of particles for the different kind of thing that it spawns. Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, I don't have my screen on the thing. Oopsie. I was watching your screen.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
awkward.
I'll also pull up the hightail
I was
video
watching
while...
your screen too. Okay. While you're doing that, I need to run to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Why did that go off? It should not have. I don't understand. This is set to emitting false. I don't know why. Whatever. He's right. This definitely should have some sort of a light behind it. We're pulling out the old classic. The gradient texture, my fucking beloved. Set to... probably just additive, right? I guess it could be mix, maybe? I'm actually not sure what he usually has his lights set to. That is way too small.
Hello, I'm back. Hi.
I'm fucking around with things.
This is a banger song. Yes, this is a banger song. You were true.
You are true. You're so true.
Yeah. Sorry.
You are true.
English isn't my first language, guys.
This is right. Oh, this is in front of this thing. Man.
Hightail.
Who's his tail?
Guy named Tail.
Why is this not... Oh. Oh, that fucked up the scale. It's supposed to be... Whatever. Yeah, hightail video.
Whatever.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, it's playing. Okay. I'm gonna put text on the screen that says watching Hightail and
Guys, look for reaction streamers now.
hold on. Sorry, I had to swap.
What is bro doing?
I swapped YouTube channels.
Okay.
Okay, put this on and pause my music.
Yeah, the main thing I'm looking forward to is like actually good combat, because Minecraft combat is kind of awful.
True. Ooh. What the hell? Wait, that was a... I don't think we've ever seen the radio menu there. There's a lot of really cool UI things I don't think we've seen before.
That looks nice.
There's like an ability here.
Yeah.
This is
I
this
like
is
the
What's up?
I do like the Minecraft pixely UI compared to like the high-res UI, but
Yeah.
it's good. It's more of just like a style preference, not a
Yeah. I'm sure there will be
or
resource
better
packs
or
for it as well.
worse.
What the
This,
fuck?
like,
There's vaulting?
What?
That's weird.
Cinema?
No,
I like that.
yeah, this is Hightail.
This is
Hightail is a
Wait,
game.
Was that a slide?
I don't know. Hytale is a game
there
that was announced
sliding?
back in 2018, 2019, one of those two. It was a roll into a slide. Weird.
That was a roll into a slide. What the heck?
It was canceled back
You
in
got
June.
movement tech?
After, it was bought by Riot because it got like really, really popular. Originally made by Hypixel Studios, and then Riot bought it
It's got the-
and canceled it back in June. And then the guy who made Hypixel, Simon, was like, I don't want to see this game die. And so when he bought the rights back from Riot, and it's 100%
Oh,
indie
that
now.
looks sick. What the heck?
Excuse me, this game is further along than fucking like Cube World ever was, and yet they were like, nah, we're canceling this shit.
It looks so nice.
It does.
I'm just gonna be pogging the entire. I don't care if it's buggy. I'm gonna be pogging.
It does look really nice, yeah. Dude, look at him go. He's chopping that shit. Whoa.
Yeah.
Ooh, that
Oh.
that like volumetric light stuff going on there is really, really cool.
Yeah.
A lot of this gives me like Vintage Story, but like not the uncanny Vintage Story vibes. Because you know how Vintage Story's characters look
Yeah.
like really, really uncannily high res?
Yeah. No, there's something about Vintage Story that's just like extra creepy. I don't know what it is. Like Minecraft itself, like can be just like scary at times, or just like eerie. But Vintage Story is like even more so. I mean, I think it's kind of intentional because there's like the spooky monsters and things like that.
Yeah.
But this definitely feels more like fantasy adventure-y than that. Which I like. I'm not a big fan of like the spooky, scary.
I do like that it seems like going into F5. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be it'd probably be F5, but the third person and then not third person is like expected, kinda. But it looks like
It's not like you only do it to look at your character and nothing else.
yeah. I mean, like in
The roll, I love him.
have you ever played Dawncraft?
Dawncraft? No.
It's a Minecraft mod
Is that
pack,
a mod?
and it has like
Okay, yeah,
a.
it's a mod I've only played create.
I will save my
I'm
words
sorry,
for
go ahead.
after stream. Now so in Dawncraft there's like a combat overhaul mod, and it makes like you go third person in it, but it looks really weird. I don't.
Oh yeah. Oh, I think I know what you're talking about. Yeah.
A lot of like Minecraft extra animation mods look weird, and this one manages to
Yeah.
do it in a way that doesn't look. I mean, this isn't a mod, but you know.
Yeah. Yeah, but yeah, the main thing is the combat. I'm really interested in, because yeah, of course there's mods that like overhaul Minecraft combat, but most of the time they're just like trying to slap it on top of an already really terrible base, which is really hard to do well.
Look at those VFX, dude. Those like
What?
they did
What
that
was
earlier. You
that?
didn't see that?
I didn't see that. I might be a moron.
You're shit, dude. He just guard broken.
This is Elden Ring. I need to see a parry right now.
Yeah, Minecraft combat. I mean,
Really
there's
plays Minecraft combat with also trying tons of compatibility stuff. Yeah, it's like here's this one specific mod pack that's been like made to overall the combat, but you like can't add anything else or it'll break.
yeah. There's like Minecraft mods that are like, yeah, we've like overhauled this with like 500 mods, and then you open it up and you realize that they also shoehorn create into the main quest line, and you're like, man, fuck, what's even the purpose of?
Yeah, the other thing I don't like is not even that like create. Like I like create, but it's like it's really hard to be like I want this specific thing and not all these other like.
Whoa, road move.
Yeah. Parkour map's about to go crazy.
It's very interesting. I'm like just taking in like,
Is that snow?
yeah,
Like, purpley stuff.
it's like corruption. It looks like it's gonna be like a Terraria Minecraft kind of thing, where like the world has like
Yeah.
different biomes and you got things to
Those
explore.
branches are interesting.
I really like those little like
At first,
fake particles.
at first I like didn't like the how high res it was, but I think it looks really nice and it really like makes it stand out by itself. Is that a creature or is that a tree?
I don't know, actually. You're right. Let me
That
actually.
looked like a thing. I'm
That's
pretty
definitely a
yeah,
thing.
That's definitely yeah, because it's holding an axe. That looks scary.
This is really where this game was whenever. This is, by the way, this is from the Legacy engine. Like, this is what.
Oh, this is old.
This is like where the game was like 4 years ago.
That's crazy. Yeah.
Plus
What
or minus
the-
some
what
stuff.
is that?
What? Holy shit, they added fucking phantoms from Minecraft. Oh shit, dude, he fell down. What was that little
That's so cool.
Hold on, there was like an alert particle on this little dude. Dude, he's got like a little exclamation mark on him. That was cool. There's so much of this that reminds me of like the Hypixel like custom model games, like what the hell is it called? I don't remember what they're called. There's like a custom mode where you can go in and you get like all these like really cool weapons with like crazy 3D models in Minecraft.
Yeah. Another thing I'm a big fan of is like all the first person animations and stuff. Like I like having actual animations and not just the same swing animation with a little sword. You can still drop into one block of water and not die, it looks like.
I don't know if
Where-
I've seen fall damage yet or how much the fall damage is.
I wonder if they'll do anything different with like the water physics.
I doubt it. It seems like it was just like the
Yeah.
old Minecraft infinite water kind of thing.
Yeah. But like I don't know, maybe they could do
Oh,
something like Terraria,
much was
but I
that?
imagine that could be
Sorry, I want to see.
about to calculate.
No, it's like it looked like a 7 or 8 block fall. It didn't do like a
Yeah.
bunch. Okay. So it's not super sensitive, but it's not like you have to fall 20 blocks to
Yeah.
take damage.
And I wonder if this will have any kind of like progression or like what kind of progression it'll have.
Dude, when this motherfucker starts talking about progression in video games, it's time to pack it up and go home.
Yeah, true.
I mean, what kind of progression tools?
Like can you upgrade your health? Can you
I would
upgrade your
imagine
stamina, things like that.
So I would
I
be
mean,
very
that's like not things
surprised.
you can do in Minecraft, so it's like I just wonder what you can do.
Excuse me. It's very interesting that the cooldown of that. Hold on.
We see inventory, or I guess we saw
Inventory map, pocket crafting. So it's not like a crafting table. You just click on it. It's more like a Terraria type thing. 5 rows of inventory.
Yeah.
Mana? In mana regen,
Yeah, that's
health,
what it
health
looks like,
regen. Yeah,
yeah.
you can definitely upgrade your health then for sure.
Yeah.
Simon. Beautiful. I love the debug errors up here. You can tell that. Hmm. I'm looking at the buttons right now because there's like a button here. I don't know what that does. There's a button here potentially. There's this thing. There's sorting automatically. There's these three things. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I imagine highlight or like sort weapons, sort armor, whatever, but I don't know. Oh, that's what that is. I was like, it's very interesting that this was on Zed, his shield. It's because you can put an item there and then you can assign it a thing, I guess, which is how he pulled up the wheel.
Oh, so you could like have like so it's like an offhand wheel that you can like pick from.
It might be. I wonder. Sorry, I'm gonna go back again. Did that move it out of this inventory and put it over there?
Yeah, he crafts.
Okay, so maybe what I'm thinking, because it looks like he put it in one slot. Maybe this could be upgraded to have different slots here, like because it looks like some of them are grayed out, like these.
Oh, maybe yeah.
Interesting.
I like the breaking texture. It's nice. Ooh, there's like little lines too.
Those need to be changed a little bit. They do look good. You can see the purlin noise on them.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, you can see the purlin noise on them.
It's not
bad.
Yeah.
It's cute. Can you put the torch back in your offhand, Simon, please? Oh no, you're using a bow. You're good, I guess. Whoa! Did you see that?
Wait, see what?
The light is colored, which is like something that you can have in Minecraft through mods, but also it colors the player dynamically in that color, which is really good because Minecraft doesn't have that. Minecraft actually doesn't have colored lighting at all, I don't think.
Yeah.
Aside from
Aren't they trying to add that in the new update with like the
maybe colored lighting is like a little expensive for voxel games if it's not like built in like from the ground up. Sorry, I'm gonna go back again. This tree has like some weird cool generation going on with it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm really curious like what kind of building blocks they'll have because that's somebody who likes building in Minecraft. I'm very curious in terms of the building options.
Yeah, it looks like the player's a little bit over 2 blocks tall as well.
A bit over 2 blocks.
Like just a little taller than Minecraft characters, I think. Oh, what? No, he had an extra slot there that he put it into. Weird.
I don't know. I like the climbing.
Yeah. Roll.
Oh, whoa.
It just rolls.
I really hope there's like a slide and you can like bunny hop.
See this thing over here? This looks cool. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but it kind of gives me like a ship
vibe.
A
little crane. Yeah, it looks like a crane.
Maybe.
I see a tent.
Enemies or friendlies?
Enemies.
Enemies.
They're definitely enemies. I wonder what kind of like, to what extent they'll have like technology, like mechanical stuff for like magical stuff.
Yeah,
things like that.
Like how Vintage Story goes into like the gears and shit at the end.
Yeah, because I'm also thinking like Terraria. Terraria has like swords and magic and things like that, but then they've also got like guns and teleporters and crazy things like that. So it's like, I don't know what kind of stuff they might try to add.
They got mechanical bosses as well. This map is very pretty.
The map looks so nice.
Very pretty map.
But yeah, I'm curious about that.
Very pretty trees. I like those a lot. Purple glowy trees. Much more of the video. Okay, we still got like 6 minutes.
No. It's done. I'm sad.
It's like 2/3 of the way done, dog. It ain't almost done.
It's almost over.
Oh shit.
Whoa.
Big map reveal. Whoa, what is that biome? That looks fucking sick. I'm seeing a lack of like generator structures, which is fine. It's like early, but like I'm hoping that these end up getting filled with like meaningful locations.
Yeah.
Oh shit, dude, he fucking skedaddled into that corner. Where you going,
Bro,
Simon?
said, yeah, that's enough.
Simon,
Oh.
where you going? Oh, that's actually really interesting as well. I noticed he charged it up with left click. This goes away because he's out of combat, it looks like.
Oh, interesting. Music's nice too.
Yeah, I'm sure there's gonna be a poison swamp.
Yes, we love poison swamps. We're gonna add a poison swamp to Dante's line, by the way. Come on, show us some gameplay that isn't just running through a forest at night. What a crazy time to pause.
I was just seeing what he had in the.
Okay, I just thought it was really funny that you paused right as he sets the time today.
No, I was like, I want to
Right
see
after I said
what he's
that.
got going on in the chat.
Yeah. Ooh, rain.
Very cool.
That looks very
Are there
nice.
rain particles on the ground? There are. There's like little splash bits on the ground.
Wait, is there like reflections on the ground with like the?
I'm not seeing it now.
Yeah, there's like the particles, but those.
I think that's fine. I actually don't really like.
More like puddles.
I don't really like the
Yeah.
reflections in Minecraft shaders too much
Whoa,
for that.
big change.
Whoa, very pretty change.
Yeah. Wait, did the foliage have like physics?
Sorry, where?
It looked like they might have. Like here. It looked like the
Yes.
foliage was like moving.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Whoa!
Is this how like normal? Whoa.
This looks fucking sick.
Is this how like normal gamers feel whenever the latest AAA slop trailer comes out and they get to sit and
Yeah, this is what
watch
normal
it
gamers
over and
feel
over again
whenever
for like 15 minutes?
Yeah, whenever EA announces FIFA 2026, this is what normal gamers feel like. They're like,
So
"Holy
normal
shit,
gamers.
dude!
Okay, I see.
He's returning for the last 12 FIFAs." I also just saw he stepped up the block automatically right here.
Ooh, interesting.
I'm not sure how I feel about that. It's a little bit better than Minecraft's jarring just pop up. Oh, you also jump like 2 blocks. Interesting.
Yeah. Oh, do you?
Mm-hmm.
No. Wow, that's crazy. Or maybe he has an upgrade that increases your jump height. You never know.
He might. Took a little bath at the end there.
That looks nice.
It's very nice. Oh, you know what they should do? They should add the Minecraft pixelated shadows that they're adding in the... Whoa! Big dude back there. What the hell?
Ooh. Do you like the pixelated shadows?
I
or no?
do.
Oh, okay. Because I was about to say, yeah, I like this too.
Like the...
But I wasn't sure if you were being sarcastic or not.
No, in the...
Like the pixel perfect shadows, yeah.
Yeah, those that are only in Bedrock. They might be bringing to Java eventually.
Yeah.
I think those look
Yeah, they're
fucking
really nice.
sick.
I think there's some shaders that do that too, and they look really nice. Oh.
Sorry,
We're
just
so
a little bit of a
crazy.
stim happening there. Oh shit, he missed it. No, Simon!
No.
Those are
John
good
Michael
noises.
Missile.
I like those noises. Ooh.
Yeah. Yeah. Given that he's only showing like combat and running around, I imagine that's mostly what's polished and finished, though.
Yeah.
Because I imagine if there was other stuff, they'd probably show it off as well. Although, you obviously don't want to just show off everything in your game all at once.
Yeah, I think mainly what they... My guess is that they spent a lot of the development time setting up the foundations. And,
Hold up.
yeah, the foundations and modding capabilities. Which is why there's so
Yeah.
little, like, content right now. I mean, not that this... I
Yeah,
mean, like,
it's like
looking at this,
Dante's
this looks
9.
fucking great.
It's the equivalent of us running around killing the same 3 enemies with the same 3 cards, even though we've been
Yeah.
working on it for like a year and a half.
Hold up, go back to the
Okay,
second
what
tab.
do we got
Second tab?
here?
No, just kidding. This isn't the second tab. Let's go. All right, frame by frame
I
in
see
this
a
bitch.
guitar.
We'll get to that tab in a second. Don't worry, buddy.
Okay. So I see. Oh,
Oh god, those are
fabric.
fucking crazy. All right.
Those are nice.
Tinker's
Hold up.
Construct slime grass right here. That's immediately what I thought of. Sorry.
There's like different. Okay, I like the different types of grass.
He's not clicking on those. Why is he not clicking on those?
Whoa,
Quebec plushie.
what is that?
Quebec plushie.
Am I supposed to know what that is?
It's one of the creatures from the game.
Ah.
Creation tools.
Wait, I didn't see everything there.
Yeah, he didn't show off everything else. We'll go back to the first tab in a second. Let me look at his.
Yeah. So I see like some kind of necklace is pumpkin, or is that no? It's like a lights.
Where?
It's lights.
This thing?
Buckets at top. Yeah, next to pumpkins. That's like hanging
Fairy
lights, I
lights,
think.
yeah.
Yeah. So that's probably like decorative blocks. It looks like.
Oh, there's your tools.
Okay, so watering can, tools.
Shears.
So those are
Whatever the
tools, not
fuck
weapons.
that
It looks...
is.
What?
Whatever
What is
that's supposed to
that?
be. Or this.
I don't know what that is.
What is
either.
this?
I don't know.
Yeah, there is like
Maybe
a
they're,
crystal
like,
guitar
for
down
build-
here.
Maybe like building. Yeah, I'm guessing that's some kind of magic thing,
Yeah.
probably.
Hmm. Okay.
Barda.
Barda. Oh shit. What? Did you see that? Did you see that?
Oh.
Asset editor? Hold on.
Although
Blockbench. Because they mentioned.
let's go.
I don't know if you
like,
saw.
built in. That's so yeah. I saw that they originally were doing like custom tools and they switched to Blockbench.
Yeah.
Because Blockbench is goated.
True.
But being able to just work in Blockbench, like, and they have all that
World gen
holy-
editor, world tools, prefab list, spawn NPC particle, change player model, tent chunk instances. Very cool.
That's so sick.
I like, dude. Did you? I love the way he mouses over. He's like,
Like,
yeah,
flexing.
fucker. Look at these tools.
uh,
Modify the blocks in your
block build,
wall.
block edit.
Huh. I don't know. I'm imagining that's like world edit probably.
Yeah, that's
Machinima, so for like recording and stuff. Okay, fair enough.
That's so
Fuck with that.
sick.
Spawn NPC.
Oh.
Whoa, he's showing this
What do we got?
off.
What do we got? Where's cat? Where's the cat? There better be cats.
What the fuck? An antelope? That looks bizarre, but fun.
Look at the bunny.
Catfish? No cat.
No cat.
No cat.
Okay, we might have to kill him.
There's no dog either, so we're good.
Okay, we're good. Never mind.
Damn, bro. He's like showing off. Edible rat. Edible rat, by the way. Edible rat mentioned.
Whoa, what the?
Oh, they got furries in this game. Of course he spawns in the furry.
Yeah, of course.
Of course. Oh shit, creative flight. Wow.
No, this is just in.
Yeah,
the
we knew
replay
about
game.
this.
This isn't the base game.
Dude, he's just showing off everything. Holy shit. Speed multiply. Yippee. He's
The
going
speed
fucking zoom.
multiply is kind of great. Oh.
Is that an AK?
Is that a gun?
What
We
the
got
fuck?
guns. I'm so happy.
What?
Is this maybe modded? I think this is modded.
Might be. That'd be funny.
That might be because if you look at the weapon on the right, like it's like the weapon charge thing, and given the how like
What are you talking
less
about?
polished the animation look on the right.
Yeah, what
the
about it?
far right, bottom right corner.
Yeah?
I don't know. It's just like charging a lot.
That's what it did for the axe as
Or it's
well.
like going off a lot.
Like when he was chopping
but
a
I mean,
tree,
like,
it
how
would like
it's-
every swing of the axe, like as he was holding left click, would do like the.
Oh, okay.
It would count down
So
from like
maybe it's just how it
0.1.
is.
Yeah.
Okay, they actually have guns. That'd be pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a big
What
gun
the
fan.
fuck is that in his inventory right here?
What?
What is that?
It-
Like some ancient
Maybe
tablet,
it's like a
some
decorative
shit.
block.
Yeah, maybe.
It's either decorative block or like some collectible thing. I mean, also what's the things to the right? Maybe plants.
Like
plants.
crystals or some shit. I don't know. The fact that they're not stacking makes me think that they're like soul gems from Skyrim. Oh, okay. I guess we're gonna find out what the fuck that is.
Oh, well,
Fragments?
it's an ancient gateway apparently.
Ah,
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sure.
is that the end of the video? Is that it? That's it.
Come on, you can't do that.
Holy shit, dude. Beautiful. Dude, that looks fucking sick. I'm so hyped for this game.
Yeah, I don't care if it's broken. I want to play it right now.
All right. That's gonna be the end of the stream though. I'm
Till tomorrow.
Hightail, not tomorrow. You're wrong. But we will be back on Thursday at 6:30 p.m. EST, and then we will be working on the fucking demo still, I guess.
Yeah.
Ideally, both of us will have our changes pushed up to each other by the next stream.
Ideally.
We'll see though. All right. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I will catch you later.
Goodbye, Mike.
Good night, everybody.